Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's day.
The reason I'm done with him because I see the boy have me and get a beard with the same Raga.
Well, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side a story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Don't you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti.
All right. You know the drill, make it happen. You know the drill, make it happen. President know the drill.
Ragashanti live.
One time.
Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Check.
I'm want to call and talk of the King's day.
The reason I'm
Check.
done with him because I see the boy have me and get a beard
Check.
with the same Raga.
Well, the
Check.
boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side a story about the red Raga.
Check.
You're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering.
Haganiering
To the flipping world. Check.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti.
Radio.
Don't you know how Richie feelings this, right?
Radio.
You know me have to listen to your program because you talk
Radio.
about a thing with scandal side of it.
Radio.
I Mixup An Blenda
Ragashanti live.
Ready up.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Tambourine.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti
I Mixup An
Listen to me,
Blenda
now, people. Lego.
Ragashanti live.
All right, nice and easy. My oh, all right. What time I can take off that vibrating something off my phone because right now when I need very hear nothing a vibrate, you see me? Take off that and thing, you see it? All right, good to go. People want to say good night here. My name is Ragashanti, Kingsley Ragashanti Stewart, Mr. Washbelly. My mama last pick the day and a blaze and I go through same way. You don't know. Once a big respect to all of the New York tri-state area people listening live right now. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Once a big respect to the entire Jamaica. The entire Jamaica listening this show on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Hot and spicy goodie. Large up yourself, you know. Enough respect and think, people. You know, say, Prezi, You know, when me, you remember what day when me I drink a ginger tea and me I talk about the cup, IrieJam, the cup them smaller. You know, so some people like right, man, I say like, what am I warrior fan? What? People are some attack or some run joke all the while. It's a cup. It's just the size of the cup. And I just talk my talk. For me, everything are content. Everything is content. Everything is content. You can't bring a piece of paper come give me. Or some trash. I want pencil. I want, give me no know. And say, create a story out of that. And I can't create a story out of it. I'm a good like that. All right? So when I hear me, I say the cup them smaller. I mean, I know if inter true, true. But President, I haven't been drinking the ginger tea. I haven't been, you know. But at the last one, I get a while ago, you know. The only ginger tea one. The turmeric one still there. But the only ginger one, the last one, I get a while ago. You see me? So, who we make buy back some ginger tea? Who we talk to? We can't ask Janice, no. Janice, I'm gonna ask Janice. Janice take care of the whole of it. You take off the hat here, you know, come my hat. People, it cowl out there. President, somebody that I call? Eh? People, let me tell you now what I'm going. Me go take the booster shot yesterday. Eh? You bring in the call. Me take a booster shot yesterday. Me tell you, say, fling me down, you know, people, man. Fling me down. Hello?
Yes, Greta.
Yeah. How are you?
What's up?
Want me there, I give thanks, you know, what I'm going.
Good there.
Mm-hmm. Talk
Greta,
to
me
me.
have something to say about your topic on Wednesday.
Hold on, something, yeah, I don't know. I wish by you there with all them
I'm
nice
at work.
there. Yeah, I work there. Yeah, the topic on Wednesday. Yeah, say what you say.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, no beat the woman.
Oh.
Beat the, no, well. All right, you remember on one of your long time show when the girl went to a party and she drank and she took I guess the guy ended up sleeping with her and
yeah. And listener, she's referring to a Ragashanti classic over on Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Ragashanti TV channel on YouTube. So, yeah, about that one, then, what you say about it?
Yeah, people are beating her because, you know, she went and tell her boyfriend what happened, that she shouldn't tell him what happened. Yeah, they were saying that, you know, she should just keep it to herself. But this girl now, your story comparing both stories, she was going to get married and she told the guy what happened with her and her best friend.
Right.
And no, it's kind of similar, but people are not really like, you know, dunning her. Which she was honest. She told her fiance at the time that, you know, she slept with her best friend.
And people shall refer to a mix-up where, well, this is a classic again. So this is, I'm putting up the classics on Ragashanti TV. But a woman had called in, and basically she said on the day that she was getting married, while she was there waiting for Carrie to go to church, she called her groom, the man who she got married to, and she tell him, say, boy, she have something upon her chest and she need to make him know. And then she tell him, say, 1 week before that, she had slept with his best friend who was the best man in the wedding. And them talk about it, and at the time the groom, the brother who she got married, say, all right, I forgive you, I could go ahead with the wedding and so forth and things like that. In the middle of the wedding now, when they get married and guests full up the church and all these things or whatever, out of the blue, the groom just hold her hand and hold the best man hand and put the two of them hand together and say, you two deserve each other. And him turn and walk right out of the church. And then she run back at him and him drive away, and then the bride run back at him and then beg one man who did a drive one bus for the guests them and beg him to drive down the brother. But she said she didn't want to left him anywhere. And at the time when she argued with the mix-up, it did happen 5 years before, and she and the boner man, she and the best man, did still there and live together. So that is what this caller is referring to. So what you think about what she do? You think that she do the right thing when she call him and tell him on the wedding day? Because it depends on her chest and she need to get it off before them get married. You think she did the right thing?
Yeah, I think she did the right thing because more than go marry for the wrong reason. But comparing her to the other situation.
The other mix-up though, you agree with her if you go tell him? If you go tell her boyfriend at the time?
Yeah, but why people beat her because she tell her boyfriend at the time? Her conscience was just bothering her. You know what I mean? Like I feel like some people are just so one-sided. You know what I mean?
See what you say. But what me I say? Listen to logic. Listen to logic. What the people are more saying is this, you know. She go drink. She go out with her girlfriend them go drink. And the girlfriend them set her up on this youth that will come from foreign. Remember I said the brother they come from foreign, you know. And the brother, go try sleep with her and never sleep with her, but she drink and whatever, this and that. Remember, she say him start kiss up her toe and all, him something there and whatever. Next thing you know, she go do it. All right? The point the people were making, though, is given that she go do this thing with this man here who is a foreigner, he might go back up, given that she knows she never did ever do it with him again, right? And given that she did continue in her relationship with her boyfriend, and she know she never ever go do something like that again. Them I say, well, probably should have just discipline herself, reprimand herself, and about go tell her boyfriend because the boyfriend not go able to manage it. Him not go able to trust her and all them something. You understand the logic there?
Yeah, I understand. But at the same time, she had a conscience and it was bothering her. And she feel like, the upfront and tell her man at the time. Whereas this person, she never have no conscience. She just tell him anyway.
Oh, you mean the one with the bride, the one with you say she never have no conscience?
Yeah.
No, I don't think you can really say that. You think so? You think she never have no conscience?
Well, if...
You don't think there has to be some... You don't think there has to be something there for she say... She obviously did a grapple with it and thing and I said, I can't go marry him and thing and me sleep with him best friend who's the best man in the wedding and I really the best man me like and whatever this and that.
But she'd have to do it anyway.
You know, say anyway, him did say, make we get married, she would have got married anyway. You're right, you know.
Yeah. She would have got do it anyway. But the fact that I don't understand how somebody was being, completely honest to their partner and then beat them for it, and then this person,
all right, no,
I really beat her.
Hold on, let me keep it real right now. I'm going to ask you what may be a troublesome question, right? Because I find that sometimes some people can be a little, them romanticize a certain things, right? They them read books and them watch movie and thing and whatever, and sometimes them not make it, they don't reconcile that with life. Let me ask you something. Do you think when people are in a relationship, they must be 100% honest with each other about everything?
No. No, sometimes you have to tell a little white lie.
Exactly. Don't use white lie. You know that term white lie came about? White people make it up. It's a good lie. So a good lie, you're the lecturing now. A good lie is a white lie. Them are wicked, right? All right, them are wicked. But a good lie is a white lie. You can tell a white lie. White people don't need to stop them somewhere there when they're wicked. But anyway. So you are saying that there are times when 100% honesty is... Let me be honest with you. Me a man, and me can tell you, say, when I'm older now, I can manage things now, one thing, more than when I did younger. So certain things are bother most man, not bother me. But nonetheless, me can tell you, say, in order for relationship work, women have to be careful about being 100% honest to men about everything. Because I know everything man can handle.
No. All if you ask you, say, if something look big, say yes.
Yeah, and don't, but you have to make it believable. No, so what do you pan free up? What do you pan free up? Me explain this to the ladies them. Me say, ladies, if your man, your husband, everybody wanna listen to me right now. Listen to my ass Raga right now. Ladies, don't care what any man tell you. You see, if them ask you about your ex, and I ask you like what the best sex you ever have and all them something there. You see, if you had the most incredible sex with your ex, you see, if your ex did do some sitting where make you speak in a tongue and say shalama, kama, rama, mama, and all kind of something, don't tell your man. Just kind of play it off and say, no, man, him could have angled him business, man. He could have hold him one or whatever. Men cannot angle that. Do not be 100% honest with them. Man can't angle them something there. Right?
It's
so,
true.
And then me as a man can't tell you this. I'm going to make that point here already. There is, anytime you hear a woman I tell a man about, no, I love you. I tell you everything. You know everything about me. Me just make woman talk. Me not pay them no mind with that. Because we can't tell you this. Every woman out there right now have secrets where them are going to carry to them grave with them. Wrong or me right?
You're right 100%.
All right then. Thank you. So this whole notion that a man can go on down the path then now that this leave it alone, is that everything you must know. And sometimes, your woman or your wife may tell you certain things, just kind of appease you and make you, kind of balance up your thing a little bit because you can't manage certain things. Leave it alone. So you, but then the trick now is,
don't ask question where you know you can't.
Where you can't handle. But here's a question. Here's where it gets tricky, though. How do you balance that, though, in terms of how far you go in not being honest? To what point it can be so problematic that, your deception and you not being honest is just like, no, I can't do it. Because, some people say, like, hey, me hear woman say this, Me hear woman say, more than one woman me hear say this. Them can't see themselves as they with a bonner man. A man who a born them and thing, depending on how him a do it. But what them can't manage is a liar. You ever hear people talk them something there?
You mean who say that? Yeah, people say that.
Me hear people say it and thing, but I mean the act of burning is a form of lie anyway. But what I say is the point is you have people.
I always wonder.
Yeah, people who say like you not being honest. Yeah, people who just place an incredible premium on that it's a deal breaker. So the question is, if you know that it's not a good idea to be 100% honest with everything, to what degree are you not, 100% honest, and to what degree you are honest at other times, with respect to respecting your partner, Or you balance that?
Yeah.
Or you balance that? Do you have any ideas?
Personally, me know say me not go out there and cheat. You understand?
You never get born yet?
Me not feel like about
You never get born yet?
Yeah, me get born.
You get born
before.
You get born before? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it a good born? Was it a good born you did get?
Some of them.
Some. I like you. Why you say some of the bun them where you get they did good bun them, but some of them they never worth it, no?
No, not at all. No.
Okay. So.
But right now, me not go pick up myself and say me I go there.
Yeah.
And cheat.
Yeah.
To be honest, and then, like if me I go lie, me not go like if me not go thief from the man. You understand?
You not go what?
And then lie about it.
You not go
like
what?
Stuff where me can avoid, like major lies, like not go thief from him.
You not go thief from him.
And then lie about, not go thief him money,
Tell me about this thing and I fix what the gone up too much now. Oh yeah, go on now. So you not go thief from him.
I go avoid the major lies, like stuff that can damage the relationship. You know what I mean?
So when you say you're not go thief from him, what you mean? You're not go thief from him, like what?
Like when it comes to like anything personal, like with his money or anything
Money
like
and
that.
thing and whatever they say. But some women believe once them there with a man, they're entitled to can him out of some money and general him out of money and
No,
things.
no.
You're not joining that something there.
No.
You're not joining that
No.
something there.
If you want $100, me I come to you and say I want $100. And if you not happy to give me, then fine.
I hope Jovan
Yeah,
listen.
watching clothes,
Jovan, I hope you listen to the caller. Jovan, sex operator, ground of Jovan. I hope you listen. Okay, so what you say now? You're not gonna broke your man foot and all them something.
No.
You know? And you're not gonna tell major lies, right? You're gonna tell little dainty lies, right?
Look at white. Look. Oh, me not saying the word. Look a small lie.
Small
no,
lies.
I say the white lie.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me see if you know the road code.
Damage your relationship.
Let me see if you know the road code. You're dating a man, a new man, and whatever, and him ask you, so how many guys you have been with before me? And think, what you going to tell him? Let me see if you know the road code. What you going to tell him? Where you going to tell him? Let me see if you know the rule. Where you going to tell him? Jesus, God, you're good. Bop. 3. If you have slept with more than 3, you stop at 3.
Right. Serious relationship.
3, yes. And that you must tell them. Never you pass 3. Men very suspicious about 1. Them will work with 2. Them will balance up a thing with 3. Once you pass 3, man can't angle that. So ladies, even if I 8 or 9 or 10 or 12 man, or you can't even remember how many. Once you date a man and him ask you that question and you say, well, like 3, you know, never really out there like that. Come, never read it. Tell him 3.
Yeah, sometimes I said, one of them don't even count because me need to give nothing too much.
See, they brap. See it, you know what I want. 3 is the number. 3 is the number. Men can't angle 3. No care them a gangster or whatever, they can't angle more than 3. And you have to be careful if you really go. Like something like that now. You can imagine a woman go start counting and say, Lady, Patrick, Sugar Shine, Bulby, Trapper,
Raga,
Dog Bite,
Prezi.
Raga, Prezi, Bobby Clark, this and that. Okay, and by the time she reach all 15, you tell me no, you think so that the man that can't angle her?
He drop down and collapse.
He can't manage that, man. Every time him and her do something, him wonder which other man, which one of the 18 what she tell him about, they do it better. You understand? Ladies, don't tell them the truth. Don't tell them the truth. When man ask about them, ask about how much money they did with her, whatever, this and that. And Ray a 3. Knock him with a 3. Leave them with a 3. All right. So, you know what going on, you sound like you're quite prepared to angle the game, you know?
Reggae, you know who you talk to, eh?
No.
It's okay.
Why?
This will pinch and tell you.
You soon pinch me and tell me? Eh? Are you in the city?
All the way from Canada.
From Canada you call from, no? Canada. Well, I'm not sure say Canada people start to pop down.
Hey, I lie. I mean, like how you come this up even Canada, you know.
No, hold on.
You come this way, but
me say Canada people start to pop down. You hear me depend this from what Canada people start. Me hear that Canada people start to pop down. Canada people start to pop down. When me just ask what
lie that.
Wanna get any rating? No, you get any ratings up there. You ever know Canada people start to good like that?
Me get my 5-star rating.
You got bop. Tambourine. What you say? You get your 5.
Canada girl, them good, Raga.
What you say? What?
We are top board.
What you say? Canada
girl, them good.
Canada girl, them bad.
Like the go bus them.
What you say? Them what?
We are top board.
Them what?
They tight like the go bus them when them pack up. What you are top board?
What you say? Canada woman them tight like the go bus them.
Subway them.
No, the subway them. What you, Maddie? Nah, man, me hear the Canada people start out down good. Nothing not going for the start out and sitting and thing. But you are saying it's not true, right?
When you come, you make me know. No way.
Wait. When me come, me make you know. You run right up in that one day.
I know, yeah, I should have known better.
You run right up in that one day, yeah.
You have to choose my word carefully, you know.
When you talk to Raga, don't, because you never know, don't. May I try to pick up your voice, though, you know. May I try to pick up your voice now, you know. Me not go guess, don't. Me not go guess it, don't. Eh?
No.
You have to make me know who do it, yeah?
All right, no
All
worries.
right, I say a word, yeah?
All right, big up yourself, brother.
Yeah, my love and blessings. Cool. Well, I know who.
I know. That's because me say your name like last part. Not true.
No, mama. But this is quite a surprise that you're calling, man.
Then me call in on Saturday too, but you probably didn't catch it anyway.
I'll never catch it. All right, now say a word here. All right, blessings here, safety, cool.
So free up a go on this Saturday, right?
Yeah,
tomorrow?
man, free up a go on tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, man. Proper something and thing.
Yeah.
Tell me what
Come in a robe, you know, Rabba.
I must come in on my robe tomorrow again, don't?
Yeah, because I have a me one. I have a red one.
You have a red robe? Like, what's the material?
Yeah.
What's the material?
It's like very soft. It's like, I don't know, like a plush, soft one.
Oh, stop. Don't do that to me. When you say it's a red plush robe, must be sexy, don't it? Must be sexy, don't it? All right, a robe I do it tomorrow. Man, come in on my robe tomorrow night, man. Robe tomorrow night. All right, boo-boo?
All right,
blessings, man. Yeah, man, protection, cool. And people, again, she's referring to Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show on my YouTube, one of my YouTube channel, the one when name Ragashanti TV, 8 o'clock every Saturday. And that's how we're there. And make sure sound lucky in tomorrow and thing. And when I'm there, it's all about me channel Hugh Hefner, you know? Me channel Hugh Hefner, Playboy King, yeah? And we wear up some robe and all these things and whatever. That's how the thing they do. Make I sip some other ginger tea. Hold on. Real quick before I take the next call, people, you know, so I go take the booster shot yesterday. Yo, I have to sleep out the day today, you know, fling me down, you know. In the night, you know, President, I tell you, say, I beer shivers and thing, and my body just, my joint them weak out, like it's a major flu, but when I see my body a trembling, you know, whatever, I say, no, sir, and then I go to boom and go online and go check it out, you know, President, and lo and behold, it says it right there. That the side effects of the booster shot in the first 2 or 3 days is, you know, a little, you know, pain in your body and them something, the headaches and shivering and whatever. So that make me just hold it and go on easy. But people may tell us, say, fling, all right, you know, I'm a week out, you know, big and serious, you know, I'm not go on the thing, you know, I'm a week out. I tell you right, you know, any of me get like some sample work right, you know, a real good sort out right, you know, what I been want. So me want to sort out from somebody when I been one. And anyhow she come right now and say, see the green light and make it happen. Me not think me could have managed it right now the way that sitting here, the booster vaccine something and mash me up. Anyway, give me our next call, Prezi. What go on? Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah. I have 2 things we have as right now still. Yeah, back to your Saturday show.
Yeah.
I have a little difficulty with your show them because your weekly show on the radio mix up with the Saturday one. I may have difficulty getting in, so some sort of going out with that because
you have to be careful how you use the word sort out when you talk to
No.
No, when you say you're confused with you seem to be saying you're confused with my Bridge 99 FM IrieJam show them and as opposed to my Ragashanti TV YouTube show.
Right, it pop up with your when we go Free Up, your show them pop up, the weekly show them pop up. So it's a difficulty. Me have to try until me get the minute. Sometimes I wonder if me get different show.
No, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying.
No, it's like maybe me end up on different show where we already play already and so forth. That's the problem we have.
Oh, that's the problem where you have.
Yeah, that's the
No,
problem
man. Here we go on. Listen now. All right. First of all, I have 2 channels. You know, so the TamFam TV that over YouTube, that is the educational entertainment channel, right? But the one with the Ray go on and free up on them something they go on is Ragashanti TV, right? When you go, just once you go to the channel, you have the playlist them, right? So you have the playlist with Bridge 99 FM show. You have the playlist with Free Up. You have the playlist with Ragashanti classics. You have the playlist with some other
that's the problem.
Right? So what I'm saying, once you go there, they're in order. And then there's one list now that just lists the show them based on them position when them upload. So it's real easy to pick up. You understand what I'm saying? It's real easy to pick up and show them.
Oh, I'm going to try it tomorrow again. And see.
All right then. And then
one more. Yeah, but one. Where you say now?
And you subscribe to Ragashanti TV, right?
Yeah.
All right then. So what I say is, once I go live, YouTube send out a thing to you and say Ragashanti is live. You not get no notification.
Oh, probably I don't know if I would just go live. Oh, okay. I will try it tomorrow.
No man, right on the channel you have a live. YouTube send it out to you. Oh, you know what? You know what Prezi say? You probably not turn on your notification,
I'm a disability person.
All right, here we go on. You see, tomorrow night, first of all, tomorrow night, if you go Ragashanti TV at 8 o'clock, when we start, you're going to see the live show right there, right? Or if not, you just click the live part and thing, right? But I'm going to tell you how to turn on your notification tomorrow, yeah? Prezi, how I'm turn on the notification over YouTube? Yeah. All right, so when you go to Ragashanti TV, just click the bell. You see one bell there in a mini labor right here? Just click the bell.
Yeah, me know.
You labor right?
PMP, but me no business with none of them.
Yeah. All right, when you go Ragashanti TV, just click the bell. You're going to see one bell, and that bell, there, so anything go up, you get a notification. And once me go live, you're going to get a notification. Here?
Right. And the second thing, Jamaica.
Yeah.
What they have to do now, man. Put them in the gun, them, man.
We have been, no, all right. That's going to help. If you say put on the gun, that's going to help. We have been saying put on the gun, man. Right?
Well, we have to talk it out still. We have to talk it out. What?
No. In terms of who are killed, does it matter if we tell them put on the gun and we have to talk it out?
Well, I don't know. Because the man them still going to bust it up, say away.
The man them carjack. The man them carjack. The man them doing carjacking. And then 9-year-old little boy in there and then cut a little boy throat. John. You see what them do? You see what them do the 15, 16-year-old girl and thing where them getting killed. She and the man and shit there now. Them copper claw head and all these things. The dog, them a move cool out there. Anyway.
And the girl, they run off,
She did what?
Home, she run off in her home from long time,
No, me yes, her father did that tell her, I said, love out them things. Because me say the brother who shop with, him roll them way there, So I must say, you're careful of the company.
You see, right, because of the father raised her, because the mother run off this. And them story they come up. So I thought, boy, just mad right now still.
You see it, the thing set away down there, And Jamaica still nice, don't? Jamaica still nice, don't?
Nice. People still go down the same way,
Yeah, hold on. People up here attack them government, almost overthrow them government with coup and thing, and people still come America, don't? Don't it? Yeah, don't it?
Yeah.
People still come America.
Come Canada. Yeah, people still come Canada same way. Canada, America, France,
Right. What me I say is bad things happening and thing. It's not like in some country where the whole country now has civil war and whatever. So Jamaica is no different from North country where there is some places where it's okay to go and there's some places where it's not a good idea to go. And, look at terrible things. Well, some terrible things are going right there, but if you know if you navigate around it and thing, the place still nice, don't?
Right, right, of course.
Well, the United States government has issued a travel advisor for Jamaica, though. I don't know if you hear about it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it.
Yeah.
I saw it. Even so flow, even read about it that I find it out. That's that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
no.
We wonder if the United
don't know.
States, if they should give some consideration when certain things are going in for them country, for issue travel advisor for themselves and say, don't travel to New York.
Yeah, like 2005, where them they have 515. Did they ever have travel advisor? No.
All kind of thing. Anyway, we have to go hold a little break and thing. Big up yourself. So remember, tomorrow, go over to Ragashanti TV right now and just click the bell.
Yeah.
Just click the bell for the notification them, all right?
Yeah, but, the bell would be at the bottom or in the middle or something.
The bell there at the top, man. I think I tap right, no? No, tap right. What?
Top right.
Tap where? Where you say, President? We can't hear. President say it there at the top. President say it there at the top.
Okay,
man.
me try and look.
Yes, man. Be a labor ride for a minute and find the bell.
Anyway.
All right, big up yourself here. Okay, people, we're going to take a break. We're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling. I'm in here, Ragashanti. Veteraning of the thing, and we set it for none of them right now. Who I get it, brap. Enough set it for me. Big up the elders, them in the Jamaican entertainment thing, you know, but we are talking about some people who are not so obvious, you know. We are talking about big up Mass Ran. The phone don't know Mass Ran, and don't know Miss Lou, but you don't know Mass Ran. So I want to say big up Mass Ran. Big up some original entertainment pan radio when we look a bit. Who remember Dulcimina? Yeah, Dulcimina. Who remember Dulcimina with pressure foot and them people? Papa Jesus. Yo, big up all of them people who set the thing. I make what they are right now. Arrange the thing and I benefit from the thing. All right, give me a call, President. Send on. Hello. Greetings.
Hello, may I hear you, man? May I hear you?
Yeah, man, where you say?
You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Blessings, man. How things?
Yeah, man, then you give thanks, you know, and thing, you know, and that's some booster shot.
Enjoy yourself, there, man.
Long time. Every time we enjoy ourselves. And we say enjoy life. All when I had life, I batter with. Yeah. So where you say?
This is right. Well, I said, just quickly want to touch on that, so you just finished with the girl and the married and the whole issue there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you pick up and realize that girl did never want the wedding to go through.
Well, yeah.
So let's say she run back at the car there, I just a little show that, you know.
No, but she said that, you know, she said when she run out back at him out of the church, she said it's just to play it off, you know, because she never want
to. She said that. Okay.
She never want to stay in the church embarrassed and shame and thing and whatever, you know?
Yeah.
So
she just play it away there.
But me believe any of the youth did go ahead with
the hand.
But any of the youth did go ahead with the wedding, though. I think they should have go ahead with it, though.
If he's
Yeah, man.
I think so, man. She wanted the youth. She got him. Because guess what? She don't know her fair plan, man. I find her she a partner. And she have fair plans,
Let me tell you something. No, man. I think she tell him, she tell him to get it off her chest or whatever, this or that, and for put herself...
Not this, not so you tell her. And no, man, she have a plan, I tell you. That's exactly what happened she wanted to happen.
Hold on, all right. Hold on. Remember, you know, after she tell him, you know, him saying forgive her and this and that and I go ahead with the wedding. So she was actually going through with the wedding with him. Mm-hmm. She did actually go through with it.
Along with him.
No. The question is what you are saying.
She don't know she going to run up in a big wall.
No. What I'm saying is, you raise a point that she wanted the wedding for call off. Me agree with you, but I'm saying to you, had the youth there go through with the wedding, should have go through with it, should have still have born him after she married, but should have go through with it.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, should have still have born him with him best friend after she married, but should have go through with the wedding. Okay. Then, you know, she's a bad girl, man. Then, you know, she put arguments to me right there. So, and I tell you, Ray, and I, you know, step to me certain way or whatever. That is a woman who see what she want and she go off what she want. And she probably don't even think about the consequences. At that time, I don't know what she is now. Because, you know, at that time she did much younger, you know, her 20s and thing. So when you're in your 20s and thing, you know, some people, you know, them not really think about the cost of certain acts.
Freelance.
Yeah. What that go?
Freelance.
Well, you're more likely for, you know, just do some things and do everything about the consequences and all them something there and thing or whatever. Even though you have some woman who stays right throughout them life. If them want to. Argument done. If them are going to take you and them are come tell us, you want 1/2 of you. All when them are 30, 40, you have woman, hey, hold on. And nowadays woman do them something there, you know. You know what going out the road. You notice that out the road, no?
What? Which one?
Eh?
Which one?
No, that more and more now. When woman nowadays, I will if a woman you know, them now want look at tie down, second down thing more than if them see a guy and like a guy and say, yo, make me juggle for a while and you find say you notice that I going on wrong?
Yeah man. But some of them not tell you clear like that. Them just come on and find out when you read with them and them not getting a resistance.
What you mean? Explain, what you mean? What
like how you say them that come and tell you say I could go and juggle for a while or like, you know. Some of them not really do it, so. But from you buck them up and give them a talk, them just take the talk and work with the program. Because them want that from you understand what I say?
Oh, so them not really say it, but for you a juggle and them thing that them just know say at this of them are gonna keep it.
Because them don't know already, so them want party, but them not really want to steady nothing. And if first step them know say have a woman. Them are running.
Yeah, man. No. This thing about you know, like the majority of women in like a metropolitan area like New York City being, we want a relationship for settle down and what? Enough women are there. Them want them own thing, them own house and thing, and and a man and if him can juggle and balance, them want a freedom. Them and I tie down something right, you know, and do what them want to do and thing like that.
That's true, man.
So
one time I was in a.
Yeah, go on.
I was in a steady relationship one time.
Yeah.
I'm a part of like a friend from down the road there. I understand.
Yeah.
And the friend want me to load the relationship and come over fully and I said, hold out now and don't rush it. And long after now, it's like me and the steady relationship now kind of break up and thing. You see, it fly out and thing. And I notice the one that now start giving me attitude.
Which one? Which one I give you attitude?
The one that the one I believe when we want to break up with her.
Yeah.
The other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me I say, all right, I call boss figure now. Now me when the boss gone, now the deputy president, the vice president take over and I take them.
So who did fly out?
The steady one.
The steady one fly out. And then after the steady one, come I say something to you. So after the steady one fly out, the one where keep on did I tell you say if you leave the steady one. After the steady one fly out, I get attitude and I want to juggle with you.
Yeah.
All right, I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you said that. Glad you said that.
I mean, I said, well, on that. So me ask something. What you want me to? No, what did happen to? What me not gonna say that? What did happen to me? And I kind of break off. But I make a vice to go on.
Yeah.
So when waiting the cut now, me I say, all right, now you're fired. So me I say, so hold on, when people come look you all over again, what be your attitude you have?
All right, real quickly. How do you explain this phenomenon that has long existed where a woman would there with a man who there with somebody else or whatever, and the whole thing she want him leave that woman, they leave that woman, they leave that woman, they leave that woman. Then if him end up leave the woman for her, she don't want the man again.
Yeah.
He's not as attractive again. How do you explain that?
My thing to it sometimes is like the girl that prove a point. Like the other one, the one you leave the woman.
Yeah.
Some of them is like them want to prove a point. You know, them take away from him and blah, blah, blah.
Right,
but they don't really want you. You see? I'm going to notice another thing now. When some woman see you on the road and about certain quality girl, them are running for you, know.
But man stays at two. 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 Yeah, man. No, you have some man. Well on. You have some man at Jamaica. This for them thing was for grind off artist woman. Like not the sweet, they would have sweet them more than yo. Me a big bounty killer girl, you know. Me a big Beanie Man girl, you know. Me a big IrieJam girl. You have them just getting another hype there. Me a dig the politician be, you know. Yeah. So man stays so too. But but if you're out there in the road and thing, and people are come at you them way, you have to develop that skill if you know if this person, for example, who are pressure you, are one of them people who, as much as you hear she pressure you and thing like, if you feel like the woman who you're there right now and go with her, would she stay with you type of thing? Yeah, you know, you have to develop that skill that you kind of understand, kind of know yourself in them thing there. But the thing get complicated out there now, you know. The thing now, the dating scene and all them something, you know, it get more complex out of the world, you know.
The dating thing really go on at Jamaica again. We don't realize that.
What you mean dating? What you mean dating not going on Jamaica? What you mean? What you mean?
Meet man now.
What?
Man meet woman now, partner draw them right away.
What man meet woman and the woman want the partner draw right away, no?
Partner draw right away. No move and no way.
Yeah.
And the talk and text.
Yeah.
We are the tomorrow night. We are the little more.
Right away, no. Yeah, me like you. The reason why me and you talk, me like you. And the only reason them not gonna run it for you is if them just a link if it takes something out for you, but them not want to give you nothing, you know.
And the other thing that happen now, as you call to a girl, just prepare for have a bill or 2 bills to get. Because she want a drink or she want a food card. As you call to her.
No, I'm going to tell you something. No, I'm going to tell you something. Well, no. You see, the woman, them, if them rate you, them don't do it. You see, if them not rate you, them do it.
The real woman, them not going to do it. Man.
Them not going to do it. The real woman, them, if them sister like, you know, if them kind of size you and sister, you look like you can be a quality man in some way or whatever. Them not going to come at you, them look a skittle weird. And let me take the president, some take some other call and thing. Big up yourself, here, sir.
But one quick hold on.
Yeah.
You remember the other day when you talked about the hotel down here and what happened at the hotel and it starts with H? You remember the argument there?
With the helper?
No, man, it's the hotel, the country, man. We have to them do anything out to another hotel there and blah, blah, blah. You know the hotel there, country.
Well, he though, yeah.
Yes. But you there say H hotel, but H hotel there too, so you have to be careful of the H.
But you have several. Well, you have several. You have Holiday Inn, you have only for H.
No, man, one of them called H. Like when you have J.
Oh, it name H? The hotel name H?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I knew one of them, Bill.
Oh, I never know. Don't know Jamaica. Which part of Jamaica? Which part of Jamaica?
That? I believe around a New Kingston or somewhere there.
What hotel name
H? In town, though, in a country.
Okay.
A couple hotel well built in town since then, you know.
Oh, all right, then. I say a word.
Big up for Julius again, man. I yell you up, man.
Right, you never pick up your voice. I say a word, Julius, protection. Here, Papa, cool.
Yeah, respect that. Yeah.
Okay, cool. President, give me our next caller before we take the break, 10 o'clock, the 3-minute break, 10 o'clock. Send on. Don't hang on. Hello. Yo. Good night. Turn off the radio in our background. I'm moving from it. Quick. Caller.
Friend.
Hello.
Robert, your friend, man.
Robert, wagwan.
Wagwan, happy new year, man.
CM to you, wagwan over there in Linstead, Robert. Wagwan in Linstead.
Over Linstead, man, them a get wicked over here, man.
What you mean wicked? Where them a going with?
Them a get violence and a kill off the woman, them, man.
Oh, them a kill off the woman, them a Linstead too?
Yeah.
Ah, Jesus. Wagwan over there nice, though. No nice thing now going over there.
No, go out over here, Raga. Be a foolish, I go out here, man, curfew.
Oh, okay, because you're under lockdown again, though.
Yeah.
So how you manage with the lockdown now, like, and thing like, you know you need your little lady around you and all them something. So how you manage and with the lockdown?
We go either early or the place lock off and buy everything, yeah?
Yeah.
And keep everything in our house, man.
Okay, so that lady that we did start link with you and her still a link?
In there, man. Yeah, there.
Eh?
Yeah.
She did it?
Yeah?
So how your voice a drop, so?
Me there, man. I say, yeah, man. Yeah.
No, man, you not sound confident. She did it?
No, me have look a flu, man. Me have flu.
Robert, you go around me, and I say if the woman did it with you.
Oh, this man.
No.
I hear me come because I hear you, man.
Them not asking and then that and we are here and thing.
Robert,
here with me I say, Robert, you're my brother, man, and I just want what the best for you. You understand? I want what the best for you, my lad. I want me to you. So, no, me hear one voice. Robert, me hear one voice a while ago. Me hear a voice a while ago. No.
Raga, keep yourself quiet, no man.
So hold on, let me say hello to the lady now. I can't say hello to her.
That year, Raga.
Hold on, no, man. I can't say hello to the lady there.
God have mercy. Want to Mr. Coombs there?
Nice try, Robert. You change the subject. Robert, I can't say hello to your lady. I not look her. Robert, I not step to your woman, man. I just want to say hello to her. Let me say hello to her, no, man. Robert, you can't call me and call me if you ask me about a man and thing or whatever. Me ain't depend them something, man. That's cool, man. What me I say? She did it. She did it. Huh? Yeah, Robert, she did it.
No, he not there, man.
She not did it.
He not there.
Yeah. But so why? On a Jamaican man, on always I refer to woman as Amy. On a can't stop that something there.
She not there, man. She not there.
Oh, she not there. Okay, good. None of that. Me just ask you and thing. I don't know nothing.
We are here up by the bridge in the car. I say, really, what go on there?
No, man, I'm good, man. You know, so I give thanks, man. Me under the weather here because I go take one of them booster shot there yesterday. I tell a doggy, he fling me down. Fling me down, wicked. Flatter me. Mash me up and thing. But you know, man, a gangster and thing. Me people I say, yo, you can't do this show tonight. Me say, why am I chain? I know some man a soldier in this. And see what they are. Drink up a whole heap of water and all these things and they are whatever. We don't play with we work. I want to them.
Yeah. But this show have to go on still, you know?
This show have to go on because uno want me to turn up. Yeah.
What you say? Raga?
Yeah.
Me know say me have one little lady friend from St. Elizabeth. They me not hear from her, no man. So me have, if you listen to Last Robert, if you hear her up, you know?
Well, yeah, me hear her up. What's your name?
I don't remember her name, but me usually hear her up already.
No, then your friend at St. Elizabeth, woman, I don't know her name, Roberta. What kind of thing that?
No, me no know it. Me no remember her name.
What's your name? Who that, Robert? Robert, you're the vice there again. Who that? Robert, who that? Robert, who that? Yeah, let me talk to you. She want to talk to me, Robert. She want to talk to me. Let me talk to the woman. Listen to me, let me talk to her, Robert. You go on like you know want me to talk to. The woman want to talk to me. Let me talk to her, Robert. Miss Lady, come talk to me. Come talk to Raga, boo. Come talk to Raga.
Raga.
Walk one, boo boo. And you know, so me have to go break, you know. And you see him take off my time. All you do, I like your voice, you know. I like your voice. Your voice sound nice. Talk again.
Yes, Raga.
See it, everything is everything. Robert, behave himself. He might behave himself.
He might burn up.
He might burn up, don't. Are you a burn him up, don't? Don't are you a on it to him. Don't are you a on it to him, don't.
I mean, but he might burn up.
He might burn up and burn him up for the better here. On it to him. Yes, I want you burn him up like fire and thing. I just want to say Happy New Year to you and say thanks for coming over and saying hello to me here.
Yes, Raga, same to you. Long life and health and strength.
See it there. Love and blessings here.
Yes, Raga.
All right. Here we are going, Robert. One Friday night. On the top of the hour, them break for 3 minutes here. So I have to go let go here now because them are going to break for 3 minutes here. Here, Robert.
Where is it?
Me say on Friday night when me a broadcast in a Jamaica and New York.
Big up the foreign caller.
All right, then. Big up yourself, Robert. All right. We're going to let go people. We're going to break for 3 minutes and we're going to forward after. Yeah? Remember, we're there till midnight.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, I will come back up in the juggling. Just want to remind you of the numbers and thing. If you're calling from Jamaica, that number is 876-676-4996. Again, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, that number is 888-546-8742. Again, from the United States or Canada, the number is toll-free. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 8742. And one more time in the Matrix now, Matrix style. 888 546 8742. I know that was corny, but I don't care. Anyway, give me our next caller. Hello. Greetings.
Hello, is this the Ragashanti show?
Nice wife, Wagwan.
I am a long time listener, and I sit down here waiting like, Sensible without feather.
You sit down and wait like Sensible without feather.
Yeah, but I don't matter because Sensible say, while you have life, you have hope. And I know one day I'm going to talk to you soon.
All right.
Nice. Do you know who is this?
Nice wife, of course I know who it is.
You will say Mrs. Nice Wife.
Mrs. Nice Wife, my apologies.
Yes.
Wagwan boo boo.
Not a thing. Not a thing. Guess what? You know, I'm call you to tell you.
Talk to me.
First off.
Yeah.
I must congratulate Stang.
Yeah.
Because only him can fry my fish like I fry it.
Hold on. Hold on. What you just tell me, say you don't the Georgia, Atlanta have Speng a fry fish for you?
Yes, we fry
Listen
my
to
fish
me.
like
Don't run with me, no. Nice wife, don't run with me, no. Me and you there, and you call me and tell me what man down there fry your fish in Atlanta, but Speng a fry your fish. Nice wife, don't run with me, no. It's not an easy man, you know. How you have man down there fry your fish?
Listen, a fish is a thing you can't keep long, it will get spoiled on you. So anybody come along, they can fry my fish. But you can't fry it like Speng. You see the head part, Raga?
Yeah.
The two eyeball. I chew the eyeball to the grill.
But you know, sir.
To the ground and the...
Well on. You know, sir, them people up in America, them not eat fish head. You know, you realize enough of them people up there, them not eat fish head.
I'm favorite that. I don't know, everybody can fry fish head because when you fry fish head, you see the eye, you have to chew it down to the grizzle. And that's what Speng did with my fish last week.
So how him fry the fish? How him fry the fish good? What him do different? What him do?
Oh, Lord. All pineapple in it.
Well, no, nice wife. You think I get... No, man, no. Nice wife. Careful right here now. Careful.
What me not telling the truth.
Careful. Because you hear what you just said? You hear what you just said?
What?
You say all pineapple. Nice wife. For a long time, some people have made some people have made. Hold on.
Pepper.
Nice wife.
Carrot. Chocho.
Nice wife. For a long time, people have made.
Plum no in it yet.
You know, listen me, you know. I say for a long time, people have make some argument, you know. Say pineapple make fish taste better.
All right.
And
but
no.
I tell you, only Speng can fry my fish.
What a thing, eh?
So Terry, step aside out of the kitchen because Speng is frying my fish.
Terry, step aside out of the kitchen because Speng a fry nice white fish right here now. I think Terry, you just have to go work with that. I think.
All right.
But what are we pineapple in your fish to make it taste good, though?
The pineapple, man. The pineapple.
I see. So, keep up, boo-boo.
Raga.
Keep up.
Me hold up and I thank everybody.
Nice.
Boy, Raga, you make me meet some lovely, friendly, caring people in the world.
Nice.
The world not done yet with Tambourine family. They make me feel so wanted, needed, love. Oh, God, Raga, if me call name, I'll know me fed out that they go back.
See.
You know, I remember saying you're Sensible now, you know.
Yeah, Sensible.
Yeah, Sensible. I look Yes, I look for me friend if we grow back.
Okay,
yeah?
okay.
But
okay.
no, Raga, seriously. Seriously, Raga.
Yeah.
They make me feel good. I thank you very, very much.
Nice.
If I could give you the world, I would give it to you.
No, don't worry about that.
All the TamFam.
Blessings.
All the TamFam people that live in their world.
Blessings.
Yeah, Raga, they make me feel good. And listen, man. You know what me they will come with now?
No, leave that alone, man. We talk about that. What? What? Where you come with
the
now?
child that I have without having this vitamin S.
Missy.
The child,
Who you call Mitzi?
You don't understand me?
No. What? Hold on. Wait. What you say? I think what you say?
All right, let me go over again. Short and simple. Don't if you have a child, you have to have the vitamin S, which is sex.
Right, yeah.
Well, that's the child I have without having or taking vitamin S.
Okay.
Mr. Jones.
All right then, Auntie.
Yes, and may God bless her every step of the way she make.
Right.
Whether up step, down, or backward,
Right.
God will be with that lady and many, many more. I will tell you, so I can't call everybody name because I said that they will start growing back.
Right.
Yeah.
Boy, a nice wife, you still not look nothing like it. You're what, 75 now or 74 or what?
No. I'll be 72 this year, June.
This June coming up, you're going to
And
be
I'm
72.
I am proud of my age.
See?
And I don't feel like 72, Raga.
No, you don't behave like 72, Auntie. You know?
How me behave like 16 and 3/4?
No, you behave like somewhere in like 18. You behave like a 18-year-old, like a spruce 18-year-old, you know?
Lord God, me never remember when me away 18. When me are 18, me jump and chuck back and go and dance.
All right, man. But good for you, your voice, and
All
love how
right,
you keep
scale up
up.
everybody.
All right.
And I thank everybody. But you listen, man. Speng make history. He frying my face.
I don't want to hear nothing more about that. All right, nice wife. Love you. Okay, blessings.
All right, Raga. Bye.
Prezi, the lady who just called and said she's 72. You hear she sound lively? You hear she sound jiggy? You believe she Saturday girl she bury her husband for much years? And you hear she lively and thing and whatever, you know? So at that she thank the people who rally around her and support her, particularly the TamFamers them and thing, you know? Bless up yourself, nice wife, and rest in peace, Dave. Sleep in peace. Okay, to the phone line, we got greetings. Wagwan. Wagwan.
Number one, more big up my nice clean husband, Atlanta, Georgia, Joshua Higgins. And to Robert.
What? Wait. A Jamaica, a Jamaica you call from, right?
Yes.
And you big up your nice clean husband up at Atlanta, Georgia there. And him name Joshua Higgins.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Robert no say. Me don't want me to listen. You know why me don't want the girl to talk. But tell him some thank him to the little credit them.
Oh, Robert send you credit?
Because I'm not interested in him because I'm not my type.
Robert send you credit?
But thank him. I thank him so much.
Him send you woolly pa credit?
Yeah, man. Me call me Joshi. Yeah.
So Robert send you credit and you call your husband up at Atlanta?
Yes.
And you call Joshi with Robert credit?
Of course.
Then you know, say Robert Ed gonna hurt him, you know. Say, yeah, use the money with your credit when you give him a call your husband.
I tell him, so when me tell him, say Christmas, me tell him to be a come to Linstead.
Yeah.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, you give him up. Well, you tell Robert, say...
Setamal. It draws you on, don't it? Draws you on.
When you say Setamal, make you sleepy, don't
Yeah, it draws you on. At night, I need get the draws you on.
So, well, you tell Robert, say you come and Linstead, go look for him, don't
That's a pill.
And then him go so boom and just start sending on more credit, don't
Yeah, this this girl, I'm the keynote to that girl, yeah, a Joshi Dolly.
A Joshi Dolly. Yeah, a Joshi Dolly and thing. So, well, I know. When next you going to see Joshi?
It might come summer.
Oh, so you're not see him till summer?
Mm-hmm.
So, your manager know when your aisle start riding and all them something. What you do? You help yourself? You help yourself?
Video call and beer things, yeah.
What, you do what? Video call and beer things, down?
Yes.
Me like on a modern woman, where you say video call and beer things, down?
Yes.
Because Joshi can't forget how it look. Because you know, stop making brap, bap, 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 bap. Joshi can't forget how it look because I use say Skype. See, they the whole light of fear, Joshi.
Yes.
Know that. And think, yeah, don't it? Why you? Go see when you're going with it. Go see when you're Joshi going with the things in the video, though.
But every position.
No, but what? Every position?
Of course.
Oh, Jesus. But yeah, we're going. Some of the ladies them say them have a problem with the video call. When them have video call them, man. I just want to know if you and Josh have that problem. This is what the ladies them say. The man them always want the woman them to do things to them in the video, but the man them no want to do anything in the video. You have a you don't have a problem.
Hello. When Josh come to Jamaica, I name Ragging King.
Him name what?
Ragging King, you have to run.
You have to run. Okay.
Yes.
No, but I mean, when you're in a juggling video and thing and whatever, you don't have that problem because you do things and him do things, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But anytime him jump at Jamaica, you can't manage it and think I'm going to get a full 100, no? Eh?
Skin swell.
No, swell up and be something, no? For sap it up with some warm water and all them something there, no? Sappings. All right, let's say a word. Ear protection and blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, President, next caller, Senan. Big up Josh down there in Atlanta, Joshua Higgins. I see your wife call and I big you up and thing. Your wife take Robert credit and call you. Yo, tell the man them, you know. You see, if you're going to give woman something, Prezi, tell the man them, you know, anything you give woman, just know say you give her and don't everybody worry about it, like what it use for and whatever. If you have to worry about it too much, but what it going to use for what she going to do, then you're not supposed to be somebody who will give something like that. You hear me, I say? If it's going to bother you, don't bother give. Because I be a stress it going to cause. All right, next call. Hello.
Hello, Gross Michelle Banana. Good night.
What are they? Tambourine. That's why I like you know. Because you give man them ratings. Raga the Gross Michelle Banana, them for no. What you say, hot and spicy?
Mr. Gross Michelle Banana.
Me there.
Me stand up on me and listen cleanly.
Yeah.
She a laugh off for Robert. She no laugh because Robert a laugh off for she. She eat that. She come like a done phone card.
What you mean she come like a done phone card? Why you say that?
Because Raga the phone card got done because when she call her husband and friend, Raga the phone card must done Raga. She laugh off for Robert. Robert, all right, Raga, she wicked back way. Raga, she shouldn't take Robert phone card.
No, but what you mean? She shouldn't take Robert phone card and then go call Joshi?
Exactly, Raga. She out of Raga. Raga, you see all women like them there?
What?
You make good woman suffer.
No, I don't think that is all that bad. I don't think that is a bad thing. Why?
Raga.
What?
The man have to work hard for your money. The man have to work hard for your money. She could have video call Robert, see where Raga make Robert see the things them see where Raga.
No, but what may I say, you don't think it's Robert's responsibility for know who forget phone card and who not forget phone card.
Yes, Raga, but probably Raga, you see probably or she go along at the nitty-gritty Raga.
Yeah.
Robert just got so boop. And Robert say, yeah.
Yeah, but of course she work him. Yeah, she said she tell him she come over. She tell Robert she come and lynch it. Robert must buy 20 more phone card when him hear that to rat it.
But then Raga, exactly because encouragement strength labor, so she encourage the man, Raga. She shouldn't take the man phone call, Raga. Exchange is no, Raga. She should stop it.
No, me not agree with you. She shouldn't. She never have to go give Robert a prepare for the something on the video. And think me not agree with you. Robert for know himself. Robert for know himself.
Robert for know himself. Suppose Raga go like him a star boy.
Suppose what?
Suppose him go like him a star boy.
So Robert go like him a star boy?
Yeah.
No, but at times, Spice, I'm surprised you said that, because me not for ask, enough man foot you broke, when them things say them are going to get this. Enough man you must get. Me can see I take things off a man, like throughout your life, enough time and thing and them not get nothing and thing and whatever. And you do what you have to do for make them things say them are going to get something and all them thing and whatever. And them send on the Kyle and all them thing and them don't get nothing. I chew me attack her alive, I tell you. Chew me attack her alive.
Me tell you, one man me do that too. One.
You're too lie. You're too lie. You're too lie. You're too lie.
One man me do that too. One man. One.
Wait. Who is the one man you do it to? Oh, you can him. What was the can?
I don't can him, Raga.
What you do?
Give me things. He might give me things. I said they'll give me the juju when they go and claim me have one pin.
He might give him things and you tell him say you're going to give him juju and then when what?
And when they go in here, Raga, him claim say me have one pin. I never have no pin, Raga.
Him claim say you have one pin. Explain the pin something there because enough people don't know about that.
Raga, him say me have one pin. So me say me go give him the thing, Raga.
Yeah.
They left me yard nice and comfortable.
No, hold on, people, because we have to explain. A whole heap of people are listening up America and understand what a pin something they mean. People, Jamaica, like many other countries, has a lot of beliefs and customs and mores and so forth and thing. And, of course, a lot of people think enough of these things are not true. But that is irrelevant. The fact is a lot of people believe these things. And one of them is that if a woman have explain it to them.
Rather, if a woman have a pin, no matter what kind of pin, as long as a pin.
Yeah.
Because could even baby pin.
Yeah. It's something carry. Yeah, go on.
And as long as a woman have a pin on her body, Raga.
Yeah.
The man something never stand up. No care what he do, it never stand up, Raga.
Well, President never hear that one day. President never hear that one day. A long time, something man, it about for two man. Them believe that and think. So wait, so when the man give him things, and you say, so that man deserve a run, him deserve a green light, and you go there, and you smell good and nice, and you put on the pretty underwear and thing and all, and you ready for him and thing. He dog, nothing gonna rise, no?
No, Raga,
and then he might cost you. I say, you have a pin by your man. You are kill the thing.
Raga, say me have a pin, Raga. That time me reach a me yard and forgot. That time me get the money spend at supermarket. Come my pin have to eat and drink that the food there.
Would I like to know where the pin they come from? Is it from pin you down? I don't know. Down. Yeah, pin you down. I don't know.
You never turn up, Raga. Me ask myself the question if I my fault for have a pin. But in the system, same as when I come to the world, I say me the same, me never have no clothes.
You never have no clothes, so where the pin for there?
Exactly. Come me never put it on my fault feather.
You never put it on your fault feather. And how people pick up that code, they know what you mean. So it never in your hair. No way in your hair.
No way for me body, Raga.
So why am I blame you about pin and whatever? The other thing where them love do and thing when time them something can't stand up. Jamaican men, want to stop this dirty practice. Jamaican men, stop the following dirty practice. This dirty practice. When on the sit they cannot stand up. When on the something cannot stand up. When I talk about how the woman have one STI, one sexually transmitted. You know about that one at times, Spicy?
Yes, Raga, me hear about that, Raga. But Raga, let me tell you something. It's all about how you feed your body.
Yeah.
Raga, I tell him in my community, me say, look here, nobody weak. Because guess what? You don't have to buy guava, you don't have to buy soursop, you don't have to buy apple, you don't have to buy mango when them things in a season. Blend them and drink them. White rum and boom now gonna. White rum and boom help kill no. Me say, if I'm on a song I drink white rum and boom, I'm going to pick 2 ciber orange, 2 lime and mix up and drink.
And drink fruits and vegetables. Go right back to basic, don't it? Fruits and vegetables. Yeah.
It's all about how you feed your body.
But hold on, and you know say that is true because I have always wondered, you ever go country and see them real country people, like man who work at bush and them something there, whatever, a beer ground produce them eat, beer fruits and whatever, them entire diet is like that. And when them man they are 60, 70 and whatever, them man they are lash coochie same way, you know.
And me fi tell about it, Raga. And me fi tell about it. Me tell them every day, God give me small body, God give me medium body, and me work with it.
Yeah.
But on a week. On a week, I me shut me eye, lock me eye, squeeze me eye, don't look a start out on a week.
What you mean on a week? You go like you know something about me. You know something about me. What you mean uno? What you mean uno on a week? Could I go? You know something about me? You know something about me?
So I lift you so at.
What? Me say if you know something about me. Me say if you know something about me about uno week, and you talk to me. Yeah, talk to me or whatever. But you say uno week. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me?
Michelle Banana, you're weak.
What? Yeah, you better respect the gross Michelle. That me I tell you.
Because me never tell you with Mr. Gross Michelle, so I lick you so.
Not wanna lick me.
Then so when you fling food at any fall, all out of that fall, they get licking.
Other fall, they get the licking I coop. But hold on. So you believe the pin something really work with you?
Rather, me not ask Christ. I tell it work.
Stop it foolishness, man, and whatever. You're a grown woman, no. Stop talking about you believing in them. You're a grown woman. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Listen to me. Listen to me good. You see the first time when I got the man yard?
Yeah.
Me never have no pin. Me never have no pin because my mind and my soul open up. So I say, yeah, me have to give it.
Yeah.
You see, because him say me have one pin.
Yeah.
The second time when me I go, of course, me go with pin.
So
of course, me pin up myself.
Where you go with pin? Where you go with pin for? Where you go with that for?
Because me this time my mind said this trip, me never give them because me don't get your money or me never rob you.
Oh, okay. Tell me something. How a woman feel if you know say she's selective about who she chooses to consort with. She's discriminating about who she chooses to submit her body to. And then on doing so, particularly when the man is debonair and suave and full of lyrics and a talk about what am I going to do and thing. And then the woman say, all right, I'm going to boss him and thing. Help me to understand. How a woman feel when she submit her body to a man and him can't get it up and him can't do nothing. And like what go on this? Or 1 minute, 1 second him pop off and I talk about the anxiety. What go on this? What go on this with the woman? How you feel when that happen?
Rather it's to me know me feel bad.
Yeah.
Because guess what? That makes sense you turn on the radio, you can't turn up the radio, that makes sense you can't station the radio.
Okay.
That make no sense.
When you hear that code there, you hear that. So what you say? That makes sense you turn on the radio.
Exactly.
Cause what you mean?
You see, from the moment you turn on the radio, you must know how to station it, how to lock it off, how to make it play.
Back. Okay. So what I mean, it is we can't simply say, oh, she's disappointed, but is it that the woman them in her position they feel like, you know, like is it like, no, you know, why did I do this? This is going to make me...
No, disappointed woman.
No.
You see, for the moment you have big chat in your mouth,
yeah,
you're supposed to make the woman say, yes. You're not supposed to make the woman a laugh off of you in her mind. Because Raga, me laugh off of him, dog, got me shame in my mind. But just a laugh off of him, so. When I turn the face to the wall, because I don't want him to the laugh.
Jesus and peace and thing. So what you say to them man then now, who... Because you see the way your men's mind work, all when time them know so there's something can't come up, them still a fast with woman. Right? As some man still, right?
Alone.
Talk to them, man, for me. Talk to them, man.
You leave woman alone. You know that woman and no God can rise the dead.
Yeah.
You better you face it. Because no for them face better and down there. So better them face it.
Hold on. What you mean no for them face? What you say them face better than them waist?
Yes, Raga. Raga, you better than face it up, Raga. You better than just make up their mind and know say, yeah, I just them face. Nobody go down from the waist part because you insult yourself, you embarrass yourself, and you shame yourself.
So if a man knows him have limitations in that regard, either him can't get it up or if him get it up is a maximum 30 seconds. Or, what you say, them man if you just stop fast with woman and Bob Marley have a thing where him did say, you know, him say it's an awful thing, you know, when a man raise up a woman desire and then can't satisfy her. Bob Marley say it's an awful thing that for a man do. You agree?
Yes, Raga, that's why I say face it up, Raga.
So you tell the man them say them for face it up, the man them for go swipe.
Yes, Raga, just swipe it and done.
But just you know a lot of Jamaican men say them not swiping. What are you talking
Raga,
about?
When you not see art no leap.
What you say what?
When Why you not see art no leave?
What you mean? What you say about the Jamaican man, the man swiping? What are you saying?
Raga, no for them do it and say them not do it, Raga. Why you not see art no leave?
The Jamaican man them say them not doing it. You don't know if them a tell lie or not. So you have to work with them. If the Jamaican man say them not doing it, them not doing it. Them not doing it.
Mr. No, you tell us something when we realize it. You say the man them want to do it, and then you hear, oh, me will never, and them a do it.
And them a do it.
And them a do it. No make them frighten, no make them mouth frighten you. No for them when you say, no, they never, and them a do it.
No, given what we're talking about, I don't want any of them man to make them mouth frighten me. So.
Right, but Raga, and them a do it, Raga. And them a swipe.
Real quickly before you go, I have a question for ask you. All right. There's a lot. I am very respectful of people's them opinions and what them choose to maintain and whatever. And there's always this issue of this contestation between traditional Jamaica and modern Jamaica, or just traditional life and whatever. So a lot of things are changing, and some people don't want to change with some of them something. I understand that. I respect that. But I must admit, there's one area where I wasn't there before, and I'm there now. And I really do believe that Jamaican women need to adapt in that era, right? But I notice a lot of Jamaican women, them decide, so them not adapting to that. So I want to, what you think about the shaving thing, that woman? You think a woman need to shave?
Yes, Raga, I shave my arm.
But you know what me I talk about. You know what me I talk about.
Sometimes I take off my fall feather them.
They take off my fall feather them. Even cut them down.
Yes.
No, because...
Yeah, me use the scissors.
No, man.
Cut off the fall feather.
Listen to me, man. I am very uncompromising on that. I think most women need... This thing with the natty dread chun-chun, that thing don't work. The natty dread chun-chun don't work.
No, Raga. That no work, Raga. You're supposed to take a mirror because you can't see.
Right.
So you take the mirror and you put the mirror right there and you take your time and you clip down. Yeah. You clip it down.
Right. And don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself. Yeah.
Right. If you don't want to use a razor, you use a scissors and you clip it down. Yes.
Clip it down. No, because ladies, we just want you to know. We men, Jamaican men too, we have adapted in that regard, and we don't like the natty dread. We don't like the Rasta pony. Right? We don't like it. Most men don't like it. Well, I don't know if... And President, you prefer women shave, right? President say yes and whatever.
But Raga, I'm not for them, Raga.
Eh?
I did hear they have funny, make they look like it's fatter better. They not fat enough.
True.
I did hear.
True.
Make it look blue pop.
True. You know Melissa? 23, we call her 23.
No.
Yeah, that is for her. Yeah, that she do, you know. Wally per year, yeah, Wally per. But listen, man, I am a strong advocate of that, and ladies out there who refuse to shave, even if you don't want to shave, you're free to cut it down. And this thing, listen, them days are done. When we are going to the promise. Yeah. Who want to know you're going?
Modern days, no.
Yeah, go to the promised land and you have to cut down tree, you cut down tree, you cut you up and all them something. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. We're not there anymore. Ladies, we're not there anymore. So all of the natty dread chun-chun ladies are out there. All of the Rasta pony. Not even. Well, I know, but you know, we have said that and thing. You know, so you have some Rasta man who tell them woman to them not to shave for true though.
Raga, that's why I wouldn't there with a Rasta man.
You wouldn't there with a Rasta man?
You mad, Raga?
You couldn't manage that?
You couldn't manage that, Raga, because first of all, you hear from the face, I go scratch up my face and me not in that with him, Raga.
Well, no.
Me not in that.
Well, that's different. Enough women like a bearded man and whatever this and that. But some of the Rasta man, me know a Rasta man who tell them empress, so don't cut it down and shave, make it grow natural and whatever. So when them a go and thing and whatever, them have to go with a lawnmower, them have to go with a cutlass, them have to cut down 10 million tree in order.
Just go with a grass knife. Rather, because guess what happened? Me I take it off, you know, sometimes me take it off, and we won't get nothing until me feel like it grow back.
What, you a take it off? What you mean?
Raga, me a shave down the ear, because like how inter me not do it, me a take off some.
Right.
I'm not even the whole like Raga, me a cut down little, Raga.
No.
Me a cut down little.
All you hear them attack, them a work with it and thing here. All you hear them attack if the woman cut down and whatever. And it just it's just funny how your sensibilities can change, because before it wasn't now it don't even look good. It's not attractive at all, you know. It's not attractive at
Raga,
all.
you ever see some woman and some shorts, Raga, when you look right there, so the whole of them look bad for their printout, Raga?
The bad for them. Listen to me now. All right. Bless up yourself here, Atta Spicy. Big up yourself here.
All right, Mr. Gross Michelle. Happy belated birthday to your son, Mr. Gross Michelle.
Yes, man. The boy, a 7-year-old, you know.
Yeah, my one at 24 Sunday.
Right, see it there? Yeah, see him signed, though. All right. All right. Blessings and respect. People, we're going to break right now. We're soon forward.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
All right, back in I juggling, and sitting. Yo, Prezi. Eh? Yeah, hold on there. That dumpling shop ad there. Me like it. It vibes it. You know, I've never been there. I always I hear about it. It's up a Bronx, no? I always I hear about it. You know, I've never been there. You know, so I drive past it. Can you know it's then near to 95, right? I don't want to there. No? Oh, I thought it then near. You know, then near 95. But it's there Bronx. Two of them up there. But I always, you know, I have one where they're near to 95. Eh? Oh, that's not. Oh, a two different one. Oh, you see, I'm going to run up in a preke, you know. So, yeah, the two of them named dumpling shop. Play about the ad again. Let me hear the ad. Me like it ad. Let me hear the ad.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling shop. People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot. Everybody do a say me love it with spread. At the original dumpling shop, handmade dumplings, great like that. Hey. Lots of fried fish is only on top with vinegar and pepper and enough carrot.
Watch the mix now. Watch the mix now, people. Hear the mix now. Hey. Lego. No, it bad. Me like it. Anyway, people like me, I tell you, I'm going to take the booster shot yesterday, me I tell you, and it fling me down, people. Me I tell you, so my whole body peeing up, all of my giant, them peeing up, and thing and whatever, like, me just feel like me have like the wickedest flu ever. Headache from yesterday till eternity. You understand? And my body just a shiver. That's me get all boomy in the morning there. Yesterday after I do the IG live, I said, John, no, that one is serious. I'm just go online and go check and say, what are the, well, you can't say symptoms. Symptoms indicate. So you have to say, what's the impact? And think, lo and behold, everything when I feel, them say that you go feel for like a day or two after you take the booster shot and all them. So, and by the way, I don't want nobody call and argue with me about no vaccine or whatever, right? I don't talk to people about that something. Me not talk to people about that something there anymore because that thing they just get distorted and politicized and irrational and, you know, unnecessarily emotional. You know, all discourses associated with vaccine right now, it's just ridiculous. And most of the time people are arguing about this. It's not to learn something or to say, okay, what you're saying sounds credible or whatever. People just entrench on one side. It's either them for it and them just deep on a side and not Lego. Or it's either them against it and them just deep on a side and not Lego. So what do you say attack? What do you say argue for? Me not like stress. And me not like anything too toxic. Anyway, we just a juggling thing and whatever, freestyle and a calling boy, anything you want to call him about and thing. Or anything, or what the topic what we talked about earlier. Here we go. Good night. Hello?
How do you do, Mr. Scandalous?
What trouble, what you say?
Nothing much. I go to me that credit. Me agree with Atan Spice, you know.
What you would agree with Atan Spice?
Me not like how the young lady there go on with Robert.
What you mean? Why you not like that? Why you not like that?
Me not like what she do. She throw whatever and the man see. She not go on so.
Oh, she shouldn't. Okay, me see what you say. She shouldn't call and not done him so. Okay, me see what you say. So do you have a problem with what she do, or do you have a problem that she do it and then come and kind of brag about it?
Me have a problem how she come and brag about it.
Okay.
I agree with the Atan Spice.
No, well, yeah. Me see what you say. She shouldn't have done him them way there, right?
Right.
Okay. Because it kind of, you know, when woman I say, boy, you know, as some man make the argument like, yo, people don't appreciate you when you're kind. You know, them just treat you bad and all them something there. So that would kind of feed into that narrative, don't that? Look, because Robert was kind.
Like, this thing I think said them I take him kindness for weakness.
Yeah, I take him kindness for weakness. But I think it is quite heartwarming though that it's a woman who are calling and defending the man in this instance and essentially rebuking the woman for what she did. So it just showed that you ladies are being fair and balanced, you know. So I want to commend you.
Right,
for that. Right. And you especially, you know, because you know you rank and face it too, you know.
Hey. Now, the little people say them not to say, you know. Who rank and face
what?
Baby and elderly we can't help themselves to change.
What you say what?
It's better to say the person face, not talk about say the person rank.
But rank don't rank in Jamaica mean how the
person talking, but me I tell you say better them say somebody face the raga.
Me know,
but talk about baby or elderly then you have to get somebody to change them. You can't change yourself, so when you
but rank in Jamaica has two meaning. Rank in Jamaica has two meaning. It means smell, like you smell rank, right? Mm-hmm. And it also means that you have a very feisty attitude. Yeah, that you have a fiery attitude, and they say you rank. Right. You know, all right. Mm-hmm. So that is the rank I was. I wasn't in the smell rank. I was in the attitude rank.
It's alright, so you don't know say me and you already, but one thing do me and I say too.
Yeah.
Every month is good because God create them. Because if you did born in the first month, you'd have say the best month.
What?
Every month good.
Every month good. What?
One follow behind the other.
Listen to me. You seem to be but that sound like you want to debate that September is the best month.
No, I mean I debate say it's the best.
What? Oh.
It have to follow
because there is no debate there.
Right, I tell you.
September is the best month, don't it?
No, it's not the best.
But September is the best month. What kind of argument that is?
Whatever, because you said December now, they're more loving and warm and everything.
Listen to me. It's in the Bible. You just never pick it up and whatever. Even God says September the best month and things. So just accept the thing and work with it.
You all right, you know, Mr. Santi. You all right.
All right. Even though you say that and whatever, talking God truth. Is it there a month type of people where you avoid or you weary of them? Talk it truth.
No, me and all of them get along, you know.
You don't have people who buy in a certain month where you say, you know, something don't even like July, man, or something like so. You don't have nothing like that?
No, not like that.
Okay, all right then. Okay.
All right. We just try to get along with people.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go with what you say. All right.
And the part of the deforestation, it is fitting.
What you say, the deforestation? What you say?
Mm-hmm. I do it myself. Even though I'm all alone.
Even though you're all alone and you're single.
Yeah, when you're ready, I'll put shape and design.
You shape and design and thing. Like what you do? Diamonds or heart or what?
No, not that.
Okay, all right then. Shape and design and thing or whatever. Mm-hmm. Right, so you are in full support of women engaging in that deforestation.
Yeah,
right?
True. Because when the whisk dead ain't no good for them themselves too.
When the whisk dead ain't no good for the woman themselves too?
It's not good for them.
Okay, it's not good for them too. Really?
Yeah, sometimes like the lining or the wet name they catch it up and when that go to dry, you know, me I tell you.
Jeez,
yeah, so then you have to put a tooth.
Yeah. Oh, you know, so me never really pick up that. When it the right at the edge area there, whatever, it hot, no, when it come out, no.
Right, especially if you go get entangling at that day.
Whoa. Because you know, right, there's a done delicate already, you know, and the pain is enhancing at that area, you know, because it's a soluble skin, and whatever. So even for women, you know, it can be problematic, don't it? Right.
True.
It's just fascinating to me how one's sensibilities can change because before I came to America, that wasn't a problem to me. It was just like I saw all of them stay and whatever. And then you come up here and you see, you know, this practice, you know, it's just like actively exercised here in the United States. And before you know it, you unconsciously develop a profound preference for that to the point where it's not only unattractive now, but it kind of it's even over in the realm of like Well, I don't want to be too rude, you know, but so I don't want to come over too.
You know, because it's still early time on radio.
No,
Anyway.
Me not say nothing. I'm a good behaving boy, despite what people say. I play with sexual themes a lot, but I'm a good behaving boy. You don't see the earlobe over my head. You never see it yet.
No, yeah, true.
Okay, all right. Okay, you see it, don't it? Yeah, say yeah, true again. Say yeah, true.
Yeah, true.
Raga is a good boy. All right, trouble. So why go on the Hermitage? They might behave themselves up there?
Behave what? You know, when they want to get notice, then go on with them little puppy show.
Yeah, but it look like
every time they want to hear them.
Right. But it look like everywhere in Jamaica, you know.
That's happen.
Every year a be a thing that happen. And you know what is interesting? Sometimes you get a card, yo, so and so just, you know, a little thing rinse down, so and whatever. You know how many things me hear at Jamaica when I hear report on the news?
That is so true. All of them can't make it.
Exactly.
Because even that with the little 9-year-old yesterday, I tell you.
Yeah.
Then there's somebody there not human.
Jano. Anyway, we're just a balance and a cut and go through same way.
Yeah, that is so true. So I feel really glad and thank God for persons like you know, but people entertained and informed and all of that. But what you have to know, remember, so some of we are credit and so that's why I say I agree with that and spicy. Young lady, when you get things from people, no come and brag and go on.
Yeah.
Just thank the Lord so you get it.
Yo, listen what somebody posts up here in New York. She said she realized Robert have a woman with him right now. So that's why she stopped getting the phone cards. And she called in to mess up what Robert have going on right now. So now beat her. Now beat her right now. Now beat Joshua Higgins' wife. All right, Trouble. Big up yourself here.
Okay, God bless and keep us always safe.
Love and protection, man. Cool. Next call. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Good night.
Good night.
And how are you?
Oh, I am feeling well. I'm under the weather, but mentally, my mind is in a good state. But my body is presently suffering the ravages of a post-vaccine effect. But the mind is really, alert and ready and alive.
Okay. Well, there is this song that is later on my heart to sing. It's my first time on the here, but I normally listen to you.
Right.
And this song is all about there's one thing we needed from God, and that is strength.
One thing we needed from God, and that is what?
Strength.
Strength, okay.
Right, because without strength, we cannot do anything. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other. Reaches to me. You are my strength, oh Lord, strength like no other, strength like no other, reaches to you. For in the fullness of His grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up. You lift me up. For in the fullness of His grace, in the power of His name, He lifts me up. He'll lift me up. You are my strength. no other. Strength like no other reaches to you.
All right.
Peace, your peace. Peace like no other. Peace like no other reaches to you. Yes, Lord. Mr. Ragashanti.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
I hope you bless each and every one that is listening on the here.
All right.
And I hope it bless someone who is going through things right now.
Right, Auntie.
So,
yeah.
Have yourself.
Thank you for that, man. Where are you calling from? Trelawney. All right. Blessings, man, and respect. Here. Thank you for that. Thank you for blessing us with that tonight. Here.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool.
All right.
Prezi, when I used to do Mixup and Blenda in Jamaica, I'm sure what I used to do, right? The vision was for it to be interactive, right? And it worked. The vision was for members of the audience to come in and we'll play different games and whatever. President said we have to fight to keep people off of the stage. We have to fight to keep people off of the stage, right? Like Jamaicans, the Jamaicans are just so performative. You follow me, right? Jamaicans welcome the opportunity to perform. So me come up here now and I do Mixup and Blenda up here with the same format. Say it never work. And I'd see them Jamaican people them coming, but them not in that interactive thing they go up on stage and it's like up here, them want to sit down and stay and watch a show. Jamaica, if we play a game, if we play box down, screaming orgasm, jolly with it. Me, everybody want to come. You understand what I'm saying? Up here is a different thing. Right? So I am not surprised that, somebody from Jamaica just call in the show. And boom, just go in on one tune and start singing a tune right away. And you understand? Me like that something there. With Jamaican. People, I'm here until 12 o'clock. Just want to remind you that I have two YouTube channels. One is Ragashanti TV and one is TamFam TV. Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV. Ragashanti TV is a Mixup entertainment channel. I only put the old Ragashanti show them, the no Ragashanti show them, the free up show them. Some videos when we did do something in the streets in Jamaica, all kind of things. But the emphasis on the Ragashanti TV is fun. You do have some, some shows there where some tough things come up, some serious things come up and things. But they still fall under the realm of Mixup entertainment. Right? The TamFam TV is educational entertainment. Still light enough, it's not like intellectually dense where you can't understand what is said over there. That's not the idea over TamFam TV. But it's just that it's more educational in nature, right? And we still have some classic interviews, an interview I did with Renato Adams is over there. One of them do a long time. One interview with me do with one plane did I drop boxes of flies in Jamaica. One piece of alarm, however, Linstead side did that between a president. Raga, some plane I drop some box of fly down and some fly and them a fly and a look. Anyway, stuff like that is over on TamFam TV. So I'm inviting you to make sure that you subscribe to both those channel over there, right? Subscribe to both of them. And do remember, on Saturdays at 8 o'clock, we have a thing named Free Up over on at Ragashanti TV, and it's live, hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti, and of course, the realest Jamaican talk show, right, over on Ragashanti TV. So make sure, say, on go over, when we're going to take, in a minute, we're going to take the 3-minute break, right? In a minute, we're going to take a 3-minute break. while we're in that break, if you have not done so, I'm inviting you to go over to Ragashanti TV, right? That's the Mixup Entertainment channel, and the TamFam TV, right? And they're both on YouTube, and subscribe to them, all right? Subscribe to them. I might two channel them there, all right? And subscribe to them. And for those of you who want your notifications, remember to click the bell so that you get the notifications, particularly on Ragashanti TV, so that you know when the live shows are on and that you can be informed therewith. Okay? Ragashanti TV, that's one channel, and TamFam TV. So we're going to take a break, and during the break, the 3-minute break, I want you to go over there and subscribe if you have not done so to both channels right now. Go to YouTube. And if you are on the older side and you don't know how to do it, make one of your generation do it. Make your son or your daughter or somebody do it. All right? All right. Blessings and respect, people. I'm here until 12 o'clock, so we have like another hour to go. On Fridays, that's how we do it, 9 until 12 midnight. Proper. All right? So we're soon forward. Just hold tight. Soon forward. Mad thing.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. I want to go on over here, sir. Well, Andy. I want to go on over here, sir. Drama to write to the phone. Okay. All right, so we get an email here. This person says, Raga, please tell the lady who was singing that it was lovely and many blessings to her also. All right, so see, somebody appreciate it. All right, want to remind you of the numbers. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Calling from the United States or Canada. If you're in the New York Metropolitan area, if you listen, 93.5 right, you know, IrieJam radio right, you know, you want to call in to the toll-free number you want to rent. Send on 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Prezi, you see you never remind me to give you the 2 tickets then for the show tomorrow? Lord Jesus, we have 2 tickets to give away for the Spice and Jada show tomorrow at Amazura, right? I'm going to ask a question. I don't know which question to ask. Because nowadays, President, when you ask questions now, you know, you have to make them answer right away, because everybody are Google, you know, and them have somebody there that Google the question quick, you know. So you can't even, or you try to ask a question with them, can't Google. Come and knock them with that sometime, you know, President. Yeah, man, me love the elimination question. Like, me will give them like 4 or 5 something. I say, one of those don't belong. But one little trick always in it, you know? All right. Send on a call. Let me go and think up a question. Send on a call.
I can't be bothered, no, sir.
Why you can't be bothered?
Raga,
Eh?
I'm jealous, you know. But, may I tell you this? You see tomorrow when the woman they gone?
When which no, you know, say you have something that I play in that background. I not hear it in that background. Hear it? Is it I turn it off or you move it from?
I tell us, say.
Yeah.
They gone tomorrow. In the call me 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep. Never turn on my phone. And I tell us, we don't want to stop calling. Somebody stop taking credit. Somebody just want to say to stop calling the phone.
Oh, but them I say you shouldn't load them up and diss him up that way. What you think about that?
Me not load him up and diss him up? Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, Robert. I'm so sorry.
All right. Bless up here.
Okay.
All right. Respect. Next call, President. Next call. Hello. Greetings.
Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Have a look.
Well on. If you're there for speakerphone, earpiece, or car phone, you have to come off here. Because you break up, we not hear you good.
Yeah, you hear me better now?
Way better now, yeah.
All right. About 3 weeks ago, me I talk about something where them girl go on with Jamaica, a scam man. And one of them, you say, them tell us they want to open a business.
Yeah, come on, think that, yeah.
I went to home over the Christmas, Raga.
Yeah.
And if you come back up, you know you have to go do the COVID testing.
Yeah.
I'm eager one doctor office, brother.
Yeah.
I'm so I'm pretty girl in there in a reception. Well, I guess she work with the doctor.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, that be a look good like me could have mash a can pan it, you know.
See it?
And boom, son, me talk to the bee and give me a link, give me a number.
Yeah.
But the mess up things me I leave out the next day.
Okay.
Go up and call the thing and, you know, we are reason. 2 days after one girl tell me, say, boy, she want to work my business.
Right.
So I say, what kind of business you want to open? The boy said that she want to go in a cake business or she want to go in some chicken farming.
Oh, God! She gave the chicken farm line. She gave the chicken.
New York, you know.
Well, Lord, you said that to her.
Yes, man. Listen, I them thing the Raga talk about in New York, you know, man. Come to me with them thing there, you know. You should have come to me with them thing, man. Me don't get schooling before me come down. So no bother with it.
Yo, man,
if you want a food, and I say, yo.
Yeah.
Say, beg you look for food, no, nothing I go on. I say, me no problem with that.
Yeah.
But no bother with the scamming business. I know say she block me from that.
Block you from that and thing and whatever because you not run nothing what she
yeah,
want.
Man.
No more talking to you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Because she can't take off nothing from you because you not clown out the thing for yourself and things. So no more knowing to you.
No, sir. One girl block me and say, me have to laugh to myself and say, bombard, Raga did it right.
Yes, man. The chicken business one is a common thing, and one go school, common thing. You get the catering thing, you know. You get the catering thing and whatever.
Oh, God have mercy, man.
Or the other one where you get a lot. Them are going to do a business, but them just need a specific equipment. And you know, they make it bad for the one them who really serious. They make it bad for the one them who really serious.
Of course.
And thing and whatever, you know.
Because if the girl would say, yo, you know down here rough and you know I make nothing here so much. You can't help me out with something.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have a problem. But when you tell me say you want to go get in some chicken business or baking.
So what
thing,
number hold on. She don't look like she could be a baker or a chicken farmer to you. She never looked that weird.
No, sir, I'm not that type of girl.
What you say? She look like one of them hot girls with long fingernail and beard thing and thing. She not in a
long hair gone down her back.
Yeah.
Pretty brown skin.
Yeah.
That's why I say, yo.
Yeah.
You could have mashed off of this before I go back up, you know.
Yeah. No, but you see, here's my logic with stuff like that. You see, me look on a woman now, and me see she fall within the realm of what society call really pretty or really attractive. That's a one, okay? 2, or if she dress in an exaggerated way to attract attention, right? Because you have some women who them do them nails and hair and this a way where them want attention, right? So you see, from me, position a woman in that space there, right? From a position her there so and thing. Is, you know, it's usually a reason. I mean, women in general love attention, right? We know that, right? But when you want that very, you know, open public attention and all and something, you want the energy that come to you. It means that you must have something in place to control that energy. You know, you're attracting that energy you're attracting that energy for a purpose. Now, naturally, a woman like that, she going to engage in some filtering. She not going to talk to everybody who come at her, whatever, this and that. But, you know, once you see a woman like that and thing, when she come at, you know, with some little idiot thing, but, you know, so one did actually tell me, say, it's a pig farm she want to do a pig farm and thing. You know, I say, when you see how much glitter in the girl here, in a man, when you see her nails them in a man, when you see how the thing are close tight up on her, I mean, I say, she's stupid. She didn't think this through. She did not think this through. right? Because clearly you're not somebody who is disposed. You know, some have one video, the weird on my IG, so there at the top, with one woman who she have one, I think she ride a bicycle and she have one of them something there, where you know them thing they were cut grass and thing, and the one them where whatever, and you know, and she not in not no flash and whatever, and she out there putting the work. I don't know if you see, don't you, President? Yeah. You see, she, you know, me we give her my things and me not look nothing from her. You follow what I say? Even if she come to me and say, you know, some want buy one next equipment because me more likely to believe her, even if she original, but me still more likely to believe she. But some of them not think through the thing. Them don't think it through, whatever. And then some of them go like them smart with them 2-3 Facebook and all them something. Then them have them party Facebook where them a spread out and thing with them man and all them something there. And them have them goody innocent Facebook and thing with them link you with when them a page up and whatever. You know, it's a good thing. Couple of people show me how to check out certain thing when whatever. And you can say, be a scamming and generalship are going out there, man. Be a scamming and generalship. But me a bunk some other call here. When she come out. Yeah.
Yeah, man, respect. Cool.
All right then, cool. No, me not think me can really. No, you know what? Me gonna flip it. Ladies, anybody who want to answer this. Me I go to the phone line after this. Which man them get a better sort out? Good looking cute guys or the guys them when I look too wonderful? Who get a bet? Who get a better sort out? Good looking cute guys are the one them when I look too, you know, well I'm not really up there in our looks. Right? Me want the ladies them tell me. Give me a next call, press. Hello. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hello, caller, hello. President Biden answer this in the next call. We're not itch. Hello. Good night, hello. President, next call. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Yes, good night. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. You hear me?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you. Good.
So, Raga, the girl called back and I tried to defend why she come out one like she want to bother Robert about the credit.
Yeah.
She needs to go and go like she hear Robert there with the woman and she talk about when my girl needs to go because you remember say Josh is at Atlanta. When you call her credit done, you don't know if I bet Josh in a move up.
So what you say? What she go and like your things and safe and lock with Josh and everything and you say it must go so down?
And she come and go like she want this Robert and a flap film thing. You don't have to be like that, my girl. The people them call and say you don't never have to go answer about the man and him credit. And you come about, buy me credit and me use it and call Joshy. When you call Joshy in a girl bed. Go.
Yo. You see, people them take it.
Everybody, you know what people don't Google Joshua Higgins for your ball out in name. Joshua Higgins, I'm a husband. You think you know where I'm going for Atlanta? You come and try this Robert. You don't have to go on stuff. We have tried this Robert.
So what you say? It was just unnecessary what she do and all them something there?
Unnecessary. So unnecessary. It's true. It's true. At times by talk, some of them girls, them make it bad for other people. Them make it bad for other people. Me not ask Christ, that she not wait for she till when him come down to Jamaica alone. Me not business she want.
But she said she going to see Joshua this summer. She said she going to see Joshua this summer. We're not January now, and she said this summer.
When she ever seen this summer, I'm cool off by then to come summer. You know, from when till now go summer. Where you
Okay. And she said the reason why she do it on here is to get him to stop calling. You think she didn't really mean that?
She could have tell him to stop. You know, leave it on ear. We don't need no advertisement of it. Not a marketing company. We have it on ear about. You know, have him number. You know, call him and text him for credit enough time too. You come and go on like, you beat you and beat her chest to the girl there with Robert. People are not idiot. That's she want to do. Same like with the woman type on the wall and say, I just too she hear the woman in the back when she call and go, and I come like she want to load it up on her. You know some woman will stay like that?
Yeah.
And that is her problem. And that she don't want to do, man. Not lie. I know she can come call and come done me. Come done me, say, if not send somebody in the just over Atlanta, you better not ramp.
What you say a while ago? If she done you, what?
If she want to come call back and done me, she call and done me. One phone call and I send somebody in a Josh bed.
Send somebody in a Josh bed. Tambourine! And you she call her going like she wicked and thing. You send somebody who grind with Joshie from her. Next thing you know, Joshie just give her a call and say, yeah, I'm going to think I'm going to make it this summer, you know. Yo! No, but on the sound cut up about it though. Who, me? Yeah?
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah, you're the next one now too.
What me do?
So all the woman they know at the doctor office. You see all the woman at the doctor office could have get all a bus now.
Yeah.
Just because you come with your big mouth and a tell and read about them a call boss off and make that man they even want to run something on the
Why
girl.
get a bus and whatever, go from your some man and whatever, you see. But me not understand you. You calling a defend Robert because somebody according to you, I disrespect him kindness. No. There's another situation where a woman will exploit a man for him kindness and thing and you defend the woman. Where is your consistency? You sound like a Republican. You switch anytime it's convenient.
I'm vexed, man. She call her and go on and raise up Robert. And then she called back on the defense and I say, you know why I'm call? Because I know tomorrow when she gone, I'm going to call.
Yeah, she said that. She said tomorrow when the woman gone, she go call. Wait, Prezi, what you say? Hold on, don't move that, me here. Yeah, eh? Prezi, what you say? What? Oh, wait there. All right, bring them in. You know what? Say Prezi just tell me, say, both Robert and she up on the phone. All right, bring in she first.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bring in she first. Katina and afraid of people. Bring in she first. Yeah, hello? Yeah, man. Yo, Tina, they're on the phone and Tina want to talk to you.
Me, yes.
I love you, baby.
Tina, I did not judge on you. I saw for you, Tina.
I love you, Tina.
Tina, don't mind me.
You love Joshie.
Yeah.
Joshie, me love. Me and Joshie not the same continent. Joshie, me love.
I might do that. My true
friend.
friend.
Let's see there come boy me. Just see a fret now. Oh, we're gonna make somebody swipe with Joshie and that's your fret boy.
I just need Robert to stop calling, please.
No, well, you could have do that off the ear. You have to learn how to do things. That is not how you do things. You could have do that off the ear. You don't call on the ear and do that to Robert because you hear him with a lady. That is childish. That is not how you do things. And you do. No, that's not good. Because when you do that now, you just give a woman a strength now to go deal with Joshie. And that me tell you a strength the next woman to say, watch how them are going to spite you back. Don't do that.
Tina, she said that lock off. That woman can't grind with Joshie. That she just say.
My girl, you don't know what Atlanta run. It can be not a woman too. It can be a man. But don't do that. You cannot do that. Don't do Robert that.
I'm sorry, Robert.
Don't do that.
But Carla, you think the ladies have a credible point for making in terms that say you could have deal with this thing differently because you call Robert and a diss him and a shame him certain way where you never have to do it. What you think?
Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say.
Yeah.
Me tell him. You see, every time me tell him, me tell him to stop call. And you see, when time the woman is gone, take him, say, me tell you, say, he go call me. And I tell him, say, well, give me credit. And he go give me credit.
But you have control over that.
But it's not.
You have control over that. If you want the credit, you really want the credit. Because you say you take it and call, you want the credit. If you really don't want Robert to call, you can block him. You have control over that. You have control over that. You don't have a proper phone. Just you don't buy a proper phone.
What? About 3 4 now,
question, answer.
And
please, you block Robert.
Me need Robert.
Well, you need to block Robert. Block Robert. And Joshie needs to provide your credit. Hey, Joshie, you see your Carol, my girl. Joshie up Atlanta, carry my girl, go all at dinner.
No, dear.
He need to spend money by credit for you to call him.
No,
make Robert have to support
you send me credit every time you send anything me want. You send me
You want to say me like that?
So black
Hold on. Joshua, your husband for real or just your boyfriend? Eh? Hello?
See that the credit done. The
call drop. President said the call drop.
I done the credit
so
done.
all the credit done there, so when me ask a question.
You don't know, all of a sudden. No more credit for Robert.
Well on. Bring in Robert. Robert!
Nice.
Yeah, Robert, make them turn off the radio in our background, Robert. Make them turn off the radio. Are you mover from the radio? Robert, you hear the ladies them a defend you do, Papa.
Well, me no have none for it, but if she attack on radio, she know fi come on radio and do them thing there.
See.
Exactly.
You what go on now? What you go on now? Let me tell you in a real life.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. You see me that you like this, Raga?
Yeah.
Me like, if a person asks me something, I me have it, me give it to her. I'll give it to them.
Look
and
at
like the boy, me. Yeah, this is what I say.
Yeah.
Listen to me, I say.
Yeah.
You see if me give somebody some, don't come on the radio and I do like you want to disrespect.
See,
right, I disrespect.
That's how we are talking. You see the lady there, you see that lady who talk, me respect what she has said.
No, she up on the radio with her. She'll listen to you right now. What defend?
Listen everything what she's saying. She said if you are going to talk, you call the youth and railway. Why she come on at the talk about?
Thank you. I hope you learn your lesson.
Okay.
No, but me never find them. Me no give her no more credit.
Okay.
I want credit. Me give her a couple times. Me give her, but she don't need to come on the radio and I embarrassment. That's not style. That's not good.
Okay.
Look good enough. Cause me now come on the radio and say me a re. Me a person like this. Me a loving person. Me like to deal with people good.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, right? The lady with the fire line, big up herself too. But me don't show yourself. Me not embarrass anybody like that.
No, because me hear what you say if somebody, just in general, if somebody ask you for something and if you have it and can afford to give them, you say you're going to give them. So you say she shouldn't really come now and I turn that in a disrespect against you. And I go.
On the radio and I try to make trouble on the radio. She not to do those things.
Trouble. That is the operative word, trouble.
Okay.
While listen to the show, you're supposed to know, say, me not call your show and make any trouble.
No, you not do that. And me always put you in a trouble. Right.
Yes.
Right.
Me not come back radio.
Yeah, man, I good for you, Robert, because one time you did.
Well on. Robert, Tina wants to say something to you. Talk to him, Tina.
I good for you, Robert, because one time you just did come on and call and give the number. I said, give me the number, make me call you. You never want me call you, but you make careless girl come mash up for credit. How good?
No, me never have that. Yo, you never call me. You never call me, you know.
Robert, the lady on the line, she says she have links where she can make one phone call and send a woman over to Joshi. The woman, the man, I met that woman there, wine off Joshi. You think she should have do it? Robert, and you say yes, it happened. Robert, and you say yes, it happened.
Yes, Raga.
Yes.
Well, people, they hear the woman in the background, Robert, they say, yes, Raga, make it happen. Yeah, she said, yes, Raga, do it, man. But Robert, we need to hear from you, man. Say the word, Robert.
Well, I don't really want to go for the radio and talk more things. I don't go on by the radio.
No, man. What me I say is, man, just say the word if you want. If you want.
Robert, you will learn.
Well, Robert, no worry yourself, man. You're a gangster, Robert. I want me to you. We're strong up in this, man. What me I say is, if you want Tina, and you must think a joke, Tina link them heavy like that. Tina can send a woman over there and why not Joshua Higgins? Just say the word.
Yes, no?
Yeah, she said, Robert, she said, say yes, no. Say yes, no. Say yes, no. Robert, say yes. Robert, say yes.
Come, man.
Robert, say yes, no. Yeah.
What? Mrs. Credit? You say you call and big up your chest.
Yeah. tonight. I will
I'm going to list on the phone with Joshy.
Yeah.
I'm going to call Joshy now.
Yeah.
List on the phone and check up.
Yeah. Josh, I gotta get some sample wine in Atlanta, you know, and thing or whatever. Listen up, baby, me know why you vex with me, you know, but me not think he might come look for you this summer, you know. It not gonna happen. Yo. All right, Tina. All right, Tina. Big up yourself, Robert. Enough respect here. All right. President Robert was balanced out to the Robert can't start them rain, but the woman did a sampling. Yo, President, that's the line for the night. Say yes, no? That's the talk for the night. Say yes, no? And we are waiting for say yes. Make it happen. Oh, say yes, no? No, I want to show answer tonight. All right, next call. Hello.
Hey, Raga, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So, if she have her good husband, why is she even entertaining Robert? That just was going through my head.
No, but that's a regular thing. That's a regular thing. Woman have them man, but them take things off of other man. Come on. You know that. Come on now.
Oh, no. But then you don't use good judgment and you loud up what you're doing on the radio. So your husband can hear that you're entertained, but see, the man not going to look at it that way. Oh, so what are you doing entertaining that next man for?
No, I want to tell you, you know, you have
some men.
No, some man love that, you know. Some man love when them woman take things off of other man, you know, as long as she not do nothing with them, you know. Some man love that, you know. I tell you that, I ask you. As long as she not do nothing with
far apart, so he could, and they're so far apart. And look at when he's supposed to come see her. How do we know?
We don't have summer, though.
All right. So how do we know that's how it goes?
So
now, if we in close proximity,
right,
where I could break you off when you need breaking, then okay, cool.
So hold on. So you think say Joshua go hold it right down till summer not do nothing?
Okay. All I'm gonna say, girlfriend, don't hold your breath.
Okay.
Don't hold your breath.
Okay.
Yeah, and Raga.
Yeah.
Just a quick thing.
Yeah.
I just think you need to cool off a little here. It's a little too warm.
Who?
Yeah, the weather. It's a little too warm. It's a little too warm here.
What are you talking about?
The weather. It need to cool off a little. Because I remember those days, let's say a year ago or so, weather like this, you come on air talking about how, in Florida, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It's like 70 degrees out there, you know. So I think, a little cool off here.
I can't seem to recall what you're referring to. Lost.com. What are you talking about? Right? I don't know. What you say? Last winter, them tell me me iPhone, when we down in Florida, one bag of iPhone, that thing or whatever. People would have beat the people in up here, and I say, well, one time the way that the temperature drop until I call and I say, John, the heat down here in Florida, boy, me I tell a piece of heat there I take with a beer beat me beat to up here and see it, I know my day I go through it now, don't. All right, so just like how me need for careful when I say, probably Miss Lady down there in Jamaica, she need for careful what she said, don't.
Be very, very tread lightly.
So here's a question before you go. So Tina, if you make the call and send a woman over there for Joshua Higgins.
Look, Tina, if need be, for the summer to make sure it don't happen, I'll be on standby, okay?
So what you say, even if Tina can't find somebody, Tina, if you just say the word to you and you take it to Joshua too, don't it? And teach somebody a lesson, don't?
Exactly.
Because you're there on standby right you know. And you know, say, oh, through you there on standby when you catch Joshua, him film thing now go stand by, it go stand. But oh, it go did the way for do, no, mad thing. All right.
And nothing. She need to know Tina Lynx is strong.
That if you know. One phone call, I make call Joshua, I expand him diet. And I'll eat when never know him can eat, no. Yeah. When you know say Tina think proper like that, I want to some people. All right, bless up yourself, we're going to take a break here.
All right. Take care.
Yeah, man, blessing. People, we better take a break, we'll soon forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
You're listening to IrieJam.
If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say Irie.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, I want to give away 2 tickets and thing and whatever. If I do it one question, it will be a weird question. So, and calling right now, if you give away 2 tickets, we're going to see Spice and Jada King tomorrow at Amazura. Spice and Jada King tomorrow at Amazura and thing, whatever this and that. Calling and I want a pin. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Are you talking to me? Am I on here?
Yes, I'm talking to you. And you are on here, yeah? Yeah.
I called before you mentioned these 2 tickets.
Okay, all right, you can go on.
Yeah,
I'll deal with the tickets with the next call after you. Okay.
Oh, good, because I'm going to pass because I know I'm not going to go. I live very far, and Corona is out there. Anyway, what I called to ask was, do you think, with your profession, do you think it's a red flag? Remember now I said red flag when somebody mentions that their significant other, which is a new relationship, is controlling or have a bad temper, that they are somehow managing, especially in a new relationship. I would like to hear your opinion on that. Especially when they say the person have a bad temper in a new relationship, because usually few months, years down the road, they will find out that a bad temper becomes a good beating.
Right.
But I would like to hear your opinion.
Is the question that, is it a red flag if somebody just enter in a relationship, recognize that the person has a bad temper? That the person have a bad temper?
Say the person.
Okay.
Right, and controlling.
And controlling. Well, it is
or either or.
No, it is a red flag, but it doesn't necessarily transfer to physical abuse down the line. You have people, you have people who are controlling with bad temper who are not physically abusing. Mm-hmm. They would never hit you, but they are controlling and they have a turbo temper.
Sometimes a bad temper or controlling is even worse. Verbal abuse sometimes is even worse than physical abuse.
That's a separate matter, but you're quite right. You're quite right. Yes, it can be. But at the same time, you have really nice people with terrible tempers. No, these things are with layers, you know. For example, you have people who they're with somebody and thing, and it depends on who the bad temper is aimed at, and thing like that, you know. But you have people that can be in a relationship with somebody, and they're just really nice and compassionate and caring with that person, but them have bad temper when them a drive on the road or when them out on the road or whatever at work or something, you know. It depends.
Oh. I guess so, but I think when somebody has a bad temper with others, eventually, because every relationship, mother, daughter, sister, brother, wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, normally you have some kind of conflict, and normally that's when you see
that the temper eventually it affects you or it turns on you.
Now, I said I would be careful with the term normally there, because unless you're going to drill down and be specific, like say, is it a significant red flag when a woman who just start dating a man and the man is just, obsessively controlling over her and has a terrible temper towards her? Then I would say, yes, she needs to be very careful with that. But the general way you stated it, you ever know some grandmothers or mothers who just have them nothing more miserable and awful and thing with temper like them or whatever, and at them secure and love everybody and think I want to make sure say your belly full every day and will sacrifice for you and whatever, this and that. So I'm just responding to you, given that you phrased it broadly. But if I think what you're actually saying is, in a relationship, you just start date a person, and I don't want men to be, it applies to men and women too. But if you just start dating a person, and that person has a bad temper to you, and you just start dating them, and if that person is controlling on you, and you just start dating them, then yeah, I agree with you that that not only is a red flag, it's a major red flag.
Okay. I agree with that, but sometimes in the beginning, in the honeymoon phase of the relationship, you don't have any conflicts, you don't have any problem, but you will see that person having conflicts with others, interacting with others, and then when you see they exhibit that horrible temper, you have to think to yourself eventually, because I don't know any relationship where there's no matter, even a minor conflicts, that doesn't happen eventually. And then maybe it won't take months or a year, maybe 2-3 years down the line, then that person normally, the way they interact with others, the way their temper is, the way they react to others with that horrible temper, usually that temperament is you're going to feel that they're going to exhibit that with you later on when you have a conflict with them.
Right, and there are some situations where people, just relate to the rest of the world in one way that is totally different than how they relate to their partner right throughout the relationship. But in general, you are correct. You are correct based on the following principle. You ever hear the saying that pay attention to how people treat people on the lowest rungs of society, because that is where they're displaying their true character, for example. And that is true. So somebody who wants to get with you may just display a certain part of themselves in order to, to show a good side of themselves to get in with you. But then when you drive and you see how them relate to, people out on the road or something like that or whatever, you say, sometimes, people are dating a man or him relate to him mother and all them something. They must say, you're nice to me, but look how you treat your mother. You're not good somebody and things. So you're quite right in that. How people relate to others can be quite indicative of what the true character, what's the true character.
Especially when the relationship is new. Especially if they start showing that type of behavior when your relationship is new. So what's going to happen down the road? Right.
So if you see the signs, Maya Angelou says, if you reveal to me who you are, when people reveal to you who they are, believe it. All right? Thanks. I'm going to try to give you these 2 tickets now, here.
Okay, have a good night.
You too. Blessings, man. Thanks for calling in. All right, people. I need a pen, Prezi. All right. The cards are taking right now is to give her these 2 tickets. All right. This person I know from before. We don't have much time in the present. Hello, caller.
Raga, what going?
Where I say?
Good day, man. I'm going to set up, but I'm not too well up the show because I'm not go on the tickets still. So just pick up yourself and chuck them out and we are listening on the show hot. So just go on do it.
Cool, man. I say a word, man. Big up yourself. Yes, thanks for the understanding there. Yeah, man. Protection and safety out on the road.
Man, no problem.
All right.
All right, my brother.
Yeah,
Cool.
man, cool. Okay. Anybody calling in now, you must be calling in to answer a question for win the 2 tickets to say Spice tomorrow alongside Jada King. All right. We have a call, Prezi. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, man.
Greetings. Where go on?
Let me talk to Raga, man.
Yeah, Raga speaking here.
Huh?
Yeah, Raga, talk to you.
Hello, Raga?
Yeah, talk up quick, yeah. Carla, talk no man and stop listening to the radio. Stop listening to the radio.
Every time, you know.
Yeah, stop listening to the radio. Just move the radio.
Tell that lady said she must run, man.
Who? Big man, stop listening to the radio, no man, and talk, man.
They want to know what talking about that man with the temper there, man.
Yeah, what about it?
I'm not radio, man. It's a small phone. It's a phone, man.
Watch out. Him just, President, may I tell him stop listening to the radio, right? President, may I tell him stop listening to the radio?
It's a phone, man.
Him still a listen and not pay attention to me. Still a listen, but him a correct me now. So it's not the radio, me a listen. I want phone.
No, it's a phone me talking.
Stop listening the phone then. No. Stop listening the phone when you talk to me. You're getting a
delay. No, me have to, man. Me have to.
What you mean? What you mean?
I know the radio me talk to you. It's the phone me have, man.
No, but when you talk to me, don't listen it.
But your boys are come from the phone, man.
Prezi. All right, boy. Him not understand what I'm going. Him not understand what I'm going. People don't want to call the show, right? I will not talk. Don't get into that something they want to enjoy or listen on yourself on the radio. You're getting a delayed broadcast and not to call up a show than that. Not to call up a show than that. All right? Damn. All right. We have about 10 minutes to go and we want to give away quick. We want to give away them 2 tickets to Jada King and Spice tomorrow. We have to give away them 2 tickets. So anybody are calling right now. The number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Call in now for win them answer a question and win these 2 tickets to Spice and Jada King tomorrow at Amazura. Big show. Gracie. And sitting. Boy, I'm here a drama go down pan IrieJam radio today. I want to go and press it. I hear about a drama on the radio today with Spice and Jada King and somebody else. I leave that alone. Them thing they too heavy for me. Me a good behaving boy right now. I can't manage them pricky there. Anyway, give me the call. Hello.
Calling for the ticket.
Eh?
I'm calling for the ticket. It's on the radio 93.5 FM.
All right then, but listen now. If you're there on speakerphone, Bluetooth, earpiece, or car phone, come off.
He said to come off the speaker.
Carla.
Yeah, Raga.
All right, yeah, man. All right. In order for win the 2 tickets and thing and whatever, more you answer the following question correctly and you get it. All right?
Look.
All right?
Listen to it.
All right, Carla? Jesus God. Why them people are doing this, man? Carla.
Raga.
Why them people are doing them something here, man? And them people are calling and them not talk to me, yo. Prezi, give me a next call.
Question, me can hear you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello? What the question?
All right, then. All right, answer the following question correctly and you win a ticket. You win 2 tickets to go see Spice and Jada King tomorrow at Amazur, okay?
Okay.
All right. Of the following 4 items, one of them do not belong. You must tell me which one don't belong there, okay?
Okay.
All right. The first one is catch and quint. The second one is slide and wine. The third one is cup and salsa. The fourth one is backers. Which one don't belong there? Catch and quint, slide and wine, cup and salsa, backers.
Cup and Sasha.
You are absolutely incorrect. It's not cup and salsa. It's not cup and salsa. I'm going to give them one easy. Sorry, here, you never get it here. And you know, so I'm going to give them one easier question after this and thing. Because I'm not going to manage them. Because we don't have time. Give me a next caller. Hello. Oh, for the record, people, catch and quint is a sex position. Cup and salsa, sex position. Backers, sex position. Slide and wine is a dance. Anyway, next call. Hello. So slide and wine. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. You call for win the ticket?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. I'm going to ask you a question and you have to answer it immediately as I ask you. Right? Do you understand what I just said? Right? Okay, so we're not giving you time to check Google or anything. So you have to answer it right away. Anyway, you don't answer it right away, you can't get it. All right? You ready?
Okay.
All right. All right then. Speak up loud now. Speak up loud. I can't hear you. Hello?
Yeah, man, I'm here.
All right. What is the second biggest country in the world? Answer now.
Asia.
No, Asia is a continent here. All right, then. I appreciate the effort and thing. All right, then. She never get it. The second biggest country in the world is Canada. And the first is Russia. And I think the third is the United States of America. President question are too hard. All right, next call. I'm going to give them an easy question now. Next call, different number, next call. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Yeah, Jada Kingdom. No, Canada, President never knows that Canada is the second biggest country in the world. You didn't know? You didn't know that? Yeah. Canada bigger than the United States, you know. Hello, caller. Hello.
Yeah, Raga, big up yourself.
Where you to call for win the ticket then?
Calling about the ticket.
All right then. You win the ticket.
Boss.
You win the ticket, my boss. If you just sing the chorus, I want a Spice song them. Sing a chorus, I want a Spice song.
Sing a chorus, I want a Spice song.
Yeah, just sing a chorus, I want a Spice song.
Yeah, the one where she said pull up to our bumper.
Sing the chorus out of one a Spice song. Anyone. As long as it clean. As long as, yeah. Sing a chorus and you get the 2 tickets them.
Huh? We can't sing.
You can't sing?
We can't sing it.
All right. What is, I'm going to ask you a question you have to answer right now. What is Spice's real name? Answer right now.
Jocelyn.
What? Jocelyn?
Jocelyn or Joycey.
Joycey. No, Papa, no. All right, I appreciate the effort here. Spice's real name is Grace Hamilton. Well, I call her Gracie, but it's Grace Hamilton. I'm beginning to feel bad, like I'm not making this. All right, bring in the next call. So, Prezi, ask them to sing something with a Spice song. That's not hard. Next call. Hello, caller.
Yes, Raga King, what go on?
What you say? You call for win the ticket? Them?
Yeah, man, because we think I'm going to go tomorrow to my birthday.
Tomorrow, your birthday. All right, just sing a chorus out of one a Spice song. Right away, send on.
Rolling, keep rolling. I keep rolling, don't you?
Wait, who sing that song?
Who done that?
What? What you say good on there. Sing that one there. Sing.
Good on there. I stay down there.
Yes, sing it now, man. Sing it.
Good on there.
Sing it.
Good on there, girl. Good on there.
Yeah. Say, go on, sing it now, man.
Raga, I want. Stay down there.
Stay down. President, give it ticket then. President, give it ticket then.
Yeah.
All right.
Give it ticket, Raga. We are good on there.
Yeah. Oh, you go down? You go down there? Eh?
Yeah. Stay down there.
Oh, you go down there. You go stay down there. All right. Okay. All right. You go down there. You go stay down there. All right. You're going to have a wonderful birthday tomorrow, man. All right? You win the ticket, them here. Prezi, stay online. Prezi, I'm going to take your name and number and thing. All right, stay online. Okay, cool. Yo, we general. Yo, Prezi, the first song when I sing rolling, I want that. Yo, you know, see some rock and roll thing, rolling on the river. Yo, nice Patricia, nice Williams, she nearly peep your parcel. Yo, we are run out of time. People, catch your levels tomorrow, free up. Hosted by me, Ragashanti, live show every Saturday night on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. The realest Jamaican talk show with yours truly, me, Ragashanti. The man's rolling. When me say, yo, as a spice on me, and the man say, good on there. Yo, people, free up tomorrow. Free up and please go over my YouTube channel, Ragashanti TV, and subscribe to the channel right now. And subscribe to TamFam TV also on YouTube. Again, 2 channels, TamFam TV and Ragashanti TV. TamFam TV and Ragashanti TV. TamFam TV and Ragashanti TV. Subscribe to them 2 channels right now. TamFam TV are the educational entertainment. Ragashanti TV are the Mixup entertainment. And just tune in to Ragashanti TV channel tomorrow for free up. The realest Jamaican talk show live with me, Ragashanti Matic. Take care of yourself, people. I'm out of here. Oh!